Doo-doo-doo. Yo, yo, yo. We live right now, man. We live. We live. Made this real quick right now. We got my man Young Thug in the court. We're gonna see what the hell they talking about. I hope everybody having a good afternoon. Let's check it out. Damn. I guess they're having all kind of audio problems at the court today. What the hell's going on? They be having. I was watching this when I was driving back to the house. They having all kind of audio problem at the court, but I guess they're trying to get Young Thug a case dismissed. That lawyer guy is a pit bull, yo. That man is that man is trying to get that case thrown out of court right now. hmm Yes, that's the prosecution right there. God damn, can we get the audio back? Shit, I want to hear this. hmm Man, I guess we're gonna have to do with no audio. Let me see if you can hear the caution. Oh, let me see. Yeah, is they be having all kind of audio problems all day long. Nope, the caution don't even work either. Yeah, the audio is gone. I mean, is the core that they be having problem with the audio. God damn it, I want to hear this. Shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Combat audio, combat. This goddamn core, all this money that they made, man, and they got shitty ass audio, man. What the hell? What up, Marcus? How you doing? I'm just doing this little live real quick, man. I just got home, and I know Young Thug is in court right now. Eh, his lawyer trying to get the case dismissed right now, and I want to, yo, that lawyer is the truth, yo. God damn it, can we get the audio back? Jesus Christ, let me see somebody else can get. No, Marco, it's not me. It's the court. It's the court. The court. The court. The audio is coming in and out. That's what it is. It's not me. It's the damn court. They've been doing that the whole. I've been watching this shit for like since I just got home, so I've been watching this court case in my phone for like about 40 minutes, and it's been going in and out the whole time. Like the whole time the audio has been going in and out. So we gotta wait until it come back, I guess. Let me see. 1 second. Let me see. Well, let me see if I can. No, it's everywhere. Everywhere is just like that. No audio, no nothing. I did. Oh, it's coming back. It's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. Come on. When it goes black like that, it's gonna come back. Yeah, bring it back. Bring it back.
Mr. Bailey,
Told you.
and then not Mr.
Told
Bailey,
you.
but Mr. Sprinkle.
We're back, baby. We're back.
Challenging by way of the evidence that you were presenting, or that I said you didn't have any standing to see what Mr. Sprinkle in fact did present to that grand jury and what he told them. So
I actually won't do that. What I'd like to do is, why did Mr. Sprinkle serve grand jury subpoenas? Why did he do the process the way he did? I'm not going to ask anything about what happened in grand jury, except I have that recording that was given to us in discovery.
is it discovered?
Yes.
Okay.
Will not ask anything about what occurred in grand jury, except what was given to Mr. Williams and discovered by the state jury. It's a recording.
Uh-oh. If this guy goes home, man, this thing gonna be crazy, yo.
Wesley.
Yo, how you doing? How you doing? Please hit the like button. Hit the like. We got a whole lot of court cases, man. We got this. We got the total lane. God damn it! Don't start that shit again. That's crazy, huh? Golden change.
Okay. I ruled upon the issue of the.
What up? Please hit the like button, man, please. This is the Young Thug
Back on this point in time. In terms of the motion to quash the business records, I'm also going to grant the motion to quash the subpoenas, both subpoenas 1 and 2. The court is of the opinion that the relevancy of these particular records, but also they're protected by work product under 24-5-501. And for those reasons, I'm going to deny, I'm going to grant the state's motion to quash on those two subpoenas. All right, anything else?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I have some proffers I need to deal with. Let's see, Mr. Where is he? Mr. Hoover?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, before we do that, I just want to bring the court's attention. Mr. Kendrick has both to suppress statements on the record. We have a witness here, spoken to counsel. He doesn't intend to go forward on that motion.
He does not intend?
We were hoping we could release our witness. We can hear that.
Yes, any objection, counsels?
No, just to be clear, we're not withdrawing the motion, we would just like to argue that on another time.
And your name again, I'm sorry.
Doug Weinstein, W-E-I-N-S-T-C-I-N.
Mr. Weinstein, what is your, what's your client's name again?
Yolanda Kendrick.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, we're just hoping our witness might be able to go.
Well, you know, folks, I like to be able to accommodate everybody, but you saw what happened this morning, okay? We had a technology glitch that nobody could have foreseen, I should say, and we're kind of a little bit behind. So we're a little bit behind in terms of just being able to properly conduct court. So, what is your motion? Your motion is to suppress?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you give me just a few minutes and I can maybe have that motion heard since your witness is here?
No, Your Honor, I believe he doesn't want her today, and we don't object to a continuance. So
Oh, okay, all right, so your motion is suppressed, all right, we're gonna, okay, all right, I understand,
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm with you, okay, yes. All right.
Your Honor.
You give a mouse a cookie, what is it you want, Mr. Short?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just wanted to make sure that I respect the record. I know that you have not ruled on the
It's not
motion.
your turn yet.
Well,
You
I
jumping in front of Mr. Steele now?
no, I am not jumping
Okay,
in front
okay,
of
okay, all right, what is it you'd like to tell him?
Well, I filed the exact same motion that Mr. Steele filed
And your
regarding
client is, sir,
Stillwell.
Mr. Stillwell,
And that
okay.
was filed on November 16th. And
The motion to dismiss the indictment
motion to dismiss the indictment.
and motion to suppress evidence. You wish to table yours at this point in time?
I have not heard you rule on the actual motion, just on the subpoenas. And I would just point out to Your Honor that our argument is not based on any Fourth Amendment violation that would require standing, but rather the prosecutorial misconduct, which I believe as citizens of the United States, we all have standing to challenge. And Mr. Stillwell, who has been indicted and investigated in part by legally issued subpoenas.
I'm gonna deny the motion to dismiss the indictment, okay?
Okay, well, I just wanted to make sure it was on the record that I too have filed that motion and.
All right, I'm with you. Okay, all right. So to the extent that's been ruled upon, that's fine. Anything else?
Thank you, Judge. Just want to hear for the record.
Yes, Mr. Meneses.
I have failed to adopt the motion as ready, but I did want to reflect the record that that's on me. And that was effective, but I do want to orally also adopt Mr. Steele and Mr. Sharp's motion. For the misconduct.
All right. Well, you probably should reduce that to writing, but Ms. Rosen-Wasser, if you will include that in order, please, madam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm gonna, in the motion to suppress and motion to quash, okay?
And Your Honor,
You can-
would you allow me to incorporate Mr. Steele's argument into the record on behalf of Mr. Steele as well, so I do not need to cite to the city cases and,
Yes,
things.
so we'll include you as well. Okay, anybody else? All right. Okay, before I was interrupted by Mr. Sharp, Mr. Hoover.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have the issue of the proffer that you'd like to complete at this point in time? I was gonna ask you to complete that issue of the proffer. And then also, if there's anybody else who we still need to deal with the issue of the proffer.
I'm not sure which proffer.
Ms. Rosenwasser, you want to address that, please?
Your Honor, I believe the court is referring to your continued, Mr. Hoover's continued representation of Mr. Someone. after you were disqualified as to Mr. Blaylock, to see if Mr. Blaylock was on board with you continuing to represent Mr. Someone.
Well, Mr. Blaylock's attorney is here, so if the court wants to continue, we can at this point.
Where's Mr. Black's attorney?
This is me, Attorney Justin Hill, Your Honor.
Is it Justin Hill?
Yes.
Okay.
And
And you are counsel for, I'm sorry, Mr. Hill, I apologize.
I'm sorry, you say that one time?
You're counsel for whom, I'm sorry?
Mr. Blaylock.
Mr. Black. Okay, all right.
Demond Blaylock, yes.
All right, Mr. Wilson, do you have a copy of the proper?
my computer, I can take a photo.
Could you please, ma'am? I don't think I have it last year. Huh? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's the core audio that is fucking up again. It's been fucking up the whole day. It's not me, it's the court. It's the goddamn court. Goddamn it, it will start getting good too. I want to see what they're trying to get the case thrown. They're filing motions to get a lot of the evidence thrown out. Let me see what my girl Sugar say. Rat! You fucking rats! She say, men are the dumbest people on earth.
We kind of jumped the gun a little bit, just so that myself and Ms. Weaver are in sync as to who is present today and who's representing whom. Can we just take roll call as to who's here? So we'll start out with my left, your right, gentlemen or ladies. If you're representing anybody, could you kind of state who you are representing, please? Okay, all right.
Brown for the state lawyer.
All right. Okay. That wasn't right.
Adrian Love for the state, Your Honor,
Okay.
Deputy District Attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
John Floyd for the state.
Deputy District Attorney Simone Hilton for the state.
Assistant District Attorney Lizzie Rosenwasser for the state.
Okay, all right. Now for the defense counsels and their clients. All right, we'll start off, Madam, I forget, and on the right side.
Chelsea Golden from Mouse Farley.
Thank you, Madam.
Anastasio Spinetis for Mr. Mouse Farley.
David Ross, Shannon Stiller.
Max Shard for Shannon Stiller.
Keep that also. Jeffrey Williams.
I'm Brian Steele, I'm also the honor representative.
Okay. All right, counsels in the back, anybody representing anybody here today, Madam? In the orange? Yeah. I'm sorry, one more time?
Nicole Morgan for Completus Group.
Yes, ma'am.
Gina Bernard for David Myrick.
Michael Russ for Mr. Greer as well. Good afternoon, Suli Shah on behalf of Mr. Dorsey.
All right, continue to the center.
Doug Weinstein for Mr. Diamante Kendrick.
All right. Hold on, Mr. Harvey, I think it's you.
Oh, go ahead.
With Mr. Nelson, along with Nicole Westmoreland, she is on Zoom, and you can see that she is on Zoom.
Yes, sir, thank you. All right,
Angela Lee Williams for Mr. Ryan.
thank you, Madam.
Sean Hooper for Antonio Sullivan.
Okay,
Justin Hill for Demond Blaylock.
all right. Continue, Madam.
Christy Gladden for Trontavia Stevens.
Thank you, Madam. All right, anybody else to my left, your right? Okay, all right. Just want to make sure who was here along with clients today. All right, okay. Thank you very much, counsel.
If I may, I apologize. I'm here on the platform, Tiambre Callan, on behalf of Mr. Khalif Adams.
Okay. All right, anybody else on our Zoom platform? I'm sorry that we had such difficulty with today. Anybody else? Is your client, Mr. Adams, on the platform as well?
He is not that I see, Your Honor.
Okay.
He's in the back row.
He's in the what?
He's in the back row.
He's here actually in court. He's in the gallery, madam.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. One more time, counsel, your name. I apologize, madam.
Tiambre Calland.
Well, and can you spell that for us, please? I'm just
Sure. First name is Tiambre, that's Teombre. Last name is Calland, Calland.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So we're talking about profit. So Ms. Rosenwasser, do you have that?
Yes, Your Honor, I was able to locate a transcript from a previous hearing.
Okay. All right. So can we take care of Mr. Blaylock's proffer at this point in time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me go ahead. Mr. Blaylock, where are you, sir? Can I get you to raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Best trade. Would you solemnly swear or affirm the evidence you'll give in the matter now hearing should be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God so affirm?
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down. Sir, we're just gonna ask you a series of questions just related to the proffer, nothing else. And then after that's done, I'll make a decision as to you and your counsel, okay? All right, Ms. Rosenwasser, if you go ahead and read that particular cover, he's already been sworn, so.
Sir, I recognize you're currently being represented by, I'm sorry, your name, sir?
Justin Hill.
By Mr. Justin Hill, is that correct? And sir, were you previously represented by Mr. Sean Hoover? Are you aware that Mr. Hoover is still representing your co-defendant, Mr. Antonio Sumlin? Okay. Now, have you been advised of a potential conflict between this attorney still representing Mr. Sumlin? No one has advised you of a potential conflict? So, yes, someone has spoken to you? Okay. Is that your attorney right now who's spoken to you about that? Okay, who spoke with you about that? Okay, did a woman, Mr. Rivera, speak with you? I'm sorry, sir, I'm being confusing. Has another attorney, anyone other than these two guys, ever come and talk to you about this case? Okay, was it an attorney as far as you know? Okay. Did she explain to you that there's a potential conflict with the agency? Okay. Are you aware of, so you are aware of that conflict? Okay. You understand, that you have had, even if you have had meetings with this counsel, Mr. Hoover, you still have no objection to him continuing to represent your co-defendant? Okay. And you have.
Yeah, it's the core. It's the core that sound messed up, and it's not me because the sound is been messing up the whole day. When I was driving home, I was listening to this case on my phone, and like the sound been going in and out. So it's the core. Sorry for that, man. Hopefully it come back. Give me a second. 1 second. Let me see if you got face. Nope. It's the same thing. The same thing. So we gotta wait. Like they switch courtrooms and everything, man. They've been doing this case. This was like an unexpected court day because last night Gunna got out. Gunna happens to be a YSL rapper. You know, he caught a plea. He caught a plea deal he pled guilty. He pled guilty, and then they thanks to his guilty plea, they say time served, which kind of indicates that he probably could have deal with the state and told. It's a good it's a good chance that he probably told. You know what I mean? Now, and the only way that we're gonna find out if Gunna told is the only way we're gonna find out if Gunna snitch will be if somebody decide to take this case to court. Then he will be forced to come to court to testify against whoever can understand. Look at my girl. Look at what my girl say, man. Damn, you want me to crime? Look at what Sugar Bone say. Crime will go down if they lock up more black men. You is an evil bitch, man, for real. You want me to get locked up with Sugar Bun? Huh? Hey, Movie, what's up, baby? Sugar, you want me to get locked up? Will you be happy if I get locked up, baby? You don't like to see my beautiful face? Well, please hit the like, man. This was unexpected, yo. Sugar, I ask you a question, man. Do you want me to get locked up? Now the court. Now you got no sounds. Waiting for the sound to get back. No, it's not true. I ask you a question, but baby, like, can you answer me, baby? Do you want me to get locked up? Yes or no? I want to know if will you be happy or will you be mad? Will you cry for me? Oh shit! You do want me to get locked up? All I know, if I get locked up, you better come see me. You better put some money on my commissary. That's all I know. You're an evil motherfucker, yo. Now we don't got no audio at all, man. You see, like the court, I don't know. These motherfuckers having like a bullet court or something like that. Don't be like that, Sugar Bum, man. You know you better than that. Don't wish that on nobody. Don't wish that on. She say, I don't cry over no nigga. You know, you be talking so much shit. You don't even believe your own jokes. You know a man have you crying every now and then. Mover J, will you cry? Will you cry if I get locked up, Mover? I know you do. I know you do, babe. Oh, thank you to my lady, Miss Janesta Coleman, with the $5 super chat. She said, brother, Papi, love and family. She always supporting. She always looking out for your boy. I love you, baby. You a real one. You see, Sugar Bong and Movie J, y'all need to be more like Miss Janesta Coleman, man. She always supporting your boy. You see, Miss Coleman, she wanna see me win. She wants to see me win. Y'all don't want to see me win. I see that. Let me see. We got the audio back. Nope. God damn it, man. We missing the good part too, yo. Because Young Thug lawyer, he came in there with the gums blazing, yo. I was watching this. I was driving. I was like, yo, here we go. I think it's gonna get fixed now. Here we go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Fix this bullshit. Let's go.
Your Honor, at one point he had an attorney. I'm not sure if that attorney was withdrawn. It was for Larry anyway. So I don't know if she is for Larry anyway. I don't know if she's withdrawn. I know he had an attorney when I was doing a lot of motion service last month.
From my understanding, Ms. Hemingway still represents Mr. Fleetwood. I'll definitely double check.
I'm sorry, she did not, she was in the same office.
Yeah, I think it's our call.
I'm not sure if she's formally withdrawn though yet. That may be why this has arisen.
So just, Mr. R, can we move, This is a housekeeping matter, can you formation not done so withdraw? And I will ask Mr. Hoover to go ahead and, continue that process of argumentation, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. All right, so Mr. Hoover, you'll take care of that one, well, too.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Mr. Arnold.
Mayor.
Where are you, Arnold? Oh, good afternoon, sir. Who's your attorney?
Actually, Mayor.
Let me stop this real quick. Let me go ahead and acknowledge my girl, Miss Mover J. Is straight out of San Luis. Hey, just to let you know, I was in San Luis once. I was out there once. I love it. The real country out there. It was nice. It was a country city, but I like it. Thank you for the $20 super chat, baby. My girl Mover J say, "Don't play with me. You know I support your crazy ass." Ha ha ha. LOL. Baby, I appreciate you, baby. I appreciate the love, mama. I really do, man. I know you rock with me, man. It's Sugar Bond that wants to see me in jail, man. I don't know what's that about, man. Kind of hurt my feelings, Sugar. It kind of hurt my feelings, man. Let me get back in here.
All right, Mr. Appinger. Mr. Appinger, you ready to have, what is it?
He's right here.
Oh, thank you, sir, I apologize. Okay, Mr. Appinger, who are you represented by, sir?
Eric Johnson.
Eric Johnson.
There was no communication.
Okay, all right, all right.
You know, I have my office reach out to Mr. Johnson, so we will make sure it will be.
Thank you, sir, appreciate it. All right, and this is McMullen. Mr. McMullen. Who? I'm sorry.
Amanda Young.
She withdrew, and Attorney W.B. Green will be representing her moving forward. I want to say yes, but I have not double checked myself.
Who is Mr. McMullen's attorney now?
W.B. Green.
Do we have a withdrawal? Who is the prior counsel?
Amanda Young.
Amanda Young?
Yes.
Do we have a withdrawal from her as yet?
Yes, the court did.
Okay, do we have an entry with Mr. Green?
We do not.
Mr.
I'll make sure it gets done, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Green. Four November, looks like Mr. Green entered that, I'm hearing something 4 November.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Mr. McMullen, I'm gonna go ahead and since your counsel's not here, we do have some, he'll talk with you, but I'm gonna release you at this point in time, okay? Mr. Appinger. Mr. Appinger, I'll release you at this point in time as well, since your lawyer is not, Mr. Johnson's not here as well. Mr. Beatty, where are you? Not here. He's not here. Oh, Mr. Beatty's not here, okay. That's fine, thank you. All right.
Order in the court, please.
Mr. Arnold, I'm going to release you to Mr. Ginsburg, and then come back and talk to you, okay? Mr. Fleetwood, for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm trying to see why they trying to have a lawyer represent me at the last moment. I've been in prison.
You are, I'm sorry, one time you are, sir.
I'm trying to figure out why I got
You are,
an attorney
sir.
trying to represent. I'm trying to see why they got an attorney trying to represent me at the last moment. I ain't Fleetwood.
Mr. Fleetwood.
I've been in prison for 5 years. I ain't get no chance to talk to my lawyer. Nobody been on 24-hour lockdown, sir.
Mr. Fleetwood, I believe that you raised that concern the last time that we talked, and you were on Zoom. And, that is an issue that you can take up with the lawyer that actually gets appointed to represent you. So, I understand, but that lawyer is gonna talk with you about any issues you may have in regards to representation. It's not today. Mr. Who, when do you think we can get him appointed counsel? Because he's very anxious to talk to the lawyer.
I'm working on it right now, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Fleetwood, they're gonna go ahead and get you an counsel, okay?
I think this young man is saying that he wants to get his own lawyer.
Well, if that's the case, then you certainly is welcome to do so, Mr. Harvey.
Well, I just wanted to.
I understand. And you're welcome to use your own attorney, but you know, this case was indicted back in May of this year.
I've been on till 24 hours a day, not able to contact my family at all, sir.
Sorry. The stream went away. Even if it clicked up again. Like this court thing has been messing up all day.
Okay? Yeah. All right, so I will fix it in time. I'm gonna talk more. Any count here, last month was a while, but we were having discussions with the state, we don't want to have any go ahead and just, let me know. Anyone?
That's more responsible for me to do all my motions. I'm not going to with the state because I've been a problem with I would like the opportunity to talk to someone before we proceed with my evidentiary motion. That's on behalf of Mr. Nichols.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Ladies and sir, that's something you all would like to do something. Or- Alright. Okay, Ms. RJ, your inquiry.
Yes, thank you, Judge. I'm just here to get my COE from Mr. Box.
That's not true. He's old enough to where he don't need COE.
That's true. That's true. So, Dave, you hit 105, you don't need it.
Well, I already was saying that was 70 years, so yeah. So that's it? Alright, okay. I'll try that. Okay, is anybody else? If you otherwise not told me, you might go ahead and educate the motion here. Ms.
Well,
Dyer.
Your Honor, I have a different issue. I was just retained to just follow my interest, so I do not believe that I have any motions pending, but I'm not sure if there were any that were unheard. Previous counsel.
Okay, both of you representing on the table.
I'm trying to take it to Stephen, Your Honor. Mr. Flugel had to withdraw because his wife had a medical.
Yes, that's true, and we are familiar with that issue.
Yes, sir.
I would like, he can have several motions, ladies and sir, he never ruled on any motions, I know we are.
Your Honor, some of the motions were ruled on, I think we could call it the merge, Mr. Floyd handled last time.
Yeah, Mr. McLean, I've got a couple of motions, he's got motions.
I'm sorry, Judge, I'm not hearing it.
One more second, one more time. On record.
Thank you, Judge.
There is a motion to limit the testimony to facts stipulated in the plea colloquy. I don't believe we've taken that up, or taken that issue. I know that we've ruled upon the special demurs as to count one, acts 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, and 54. And the special demurs to count one, acts 127 and 132. Mr. Floyd, did we take up anything else in regards to as it relates to Mr. Stevens? I believe that you argued and I ruled upon those particular motions the last time we were here, so is that correct?
The ones that you just described, Judge, yes, you did rule on each time.
God damn it, the sound again. All this goddamn, all that money the courts be making, yo. They can't even afford some good sound, yo. They don't want us to hear what's gonna happen to Young Thug, yo. They hating on that nigga, man. They hating on Young Thug, man. They wanna give him 50 years. They wanna send that man to Pelican Bay. Now let me ask you something, man. Do you think that do you think Gunna snitch? I want to hear from you. Do you think Gunna snitched yesterday? I mean, obviously he snitched in the past. he got one of those 1-800 tipster commercial too, though. It's not the first time he's telling anyway. I want to know, do y'all believe if Gunna snitch? That's what I want to know. Auntie J said yes, but no. Do y'all believe that Gunna is a rat? He's a certified rat. God damn it. The goddamn value, man. I need to hear everything what the judge is saying. Yo, they about to close. They in the East. This is ATL, so it's like I could have swear courts closed at 5 in the afternoon. He's about to be 6 over there. God, we're missing the most important part, yo. It's not me. It's the goddamn court. The sound be messing up the whole day. Oh, here we go. It's coming back. Here we go. Sugar Bun say most black men
certainly, we will certainly entertain you at some point in time, okay?
Sugar Bun, baby daddy's a rat.
Anybody else?
All right.
Ms. Love and Mr. Floyd and Ms. Hilton and Ms. Rosenwasser, and counsel, it's all of you, I know that we are supposed to take up the jury questionnaires. I think I'm going to not take up those issues today. I'll wait until probably Monday or Tuesday of next week. Since all the lawyers are not here, most of them will be here probably on Monday or Tuesday, and resolution may affect some of those particular folks. So I will wait on that. I'll table that, but I'll hold that for just until such time. Counsel for the state, are you engaged in any I know that you're supposed to begin your motions for the Daubert and 702 issues effective as of Monday. How is that coming, Ms. Rosenwasser?
So, Your Honor, we provided on last Friday a list of, everyone we're expecting to call the expert witness with what we're going to qualify them in. We have provided CVs, and Dropbox folder, I believe, and don't quote me, I think the list is at about 27, 28 people at this point. Some of our witnesses are only available the first week, some are only available the second week. So we would just ask that the court honor that. And additionally, Your Honor, we believe that only 1 or 2 witnesses will need to testimony via video conference. Only one defendant objected to that, and that defendant is no longer on this case. So we anticipate almost everyone's going to be live.
Okay.
And we may have some amendments, but we will let the court know if there's any additional people we're going to call.
Okay, thank you. And that's a good update. What I was going to just is ask if there are any negotiations or other pleas that may be taken from this particular case that I don't know which defendants are interested in that, but that might be something that should be considered and discussed. I'm available tomorrow afternoon, and I was going to see if that could be taken on Monday. For those particular, Monday is the 19th. Since we're going to be here all day, if we could utilize some part of that day, Ms. Rosenwasser, if you would be so kind as to send those who are left an email just outlining which particular witnesses you'd like to call on which days, that would give us some roadmap.
Absolutely, Your Honor. And we don't know how long everyone's going to take. We anticipate some days it may not take the whole day, some days it will. We have 1 witness coming on Monday that can only testify. That's the only day she's available, but I think everyone else. We just ask that some of our people can be, if they're close by, could be placed on call. But other than that, we have everybody here. We'll send out an order to the court in order to and then call on which days on Friday I can do that.
Yeah, and the other thing I was gonna just point to everybody's, I know my order says the 19th through the 22nd. I think that we in the county are off on the 23rd, is that correct?
Yes,
And then we are also off on the 26th.
yes, sir.
Yeah, so I made a mistake as to that, as to our availability, so just adjust your schedules accordingly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, okay. All right. Edward. I got it. Do we have anything? Ms. Callan?
I'm here, Judge.
Callan, do you still have, you still wish to hear a motion to dismiss and, motion to suppress?
Judge, I did file a motion to suppress on December 5th.
There we go with the audio again, man. That's the court. It's not me. It's the goddamn court, man. You've been doing that the whole day. The whole damn day. In the meantime, man, I need please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button real quick. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers before Martin Luther King's Day. So please help your boy out. Hook your boy up. Also, make sure you share this link with everybody. Let me see what my girl Sugar Bun said. She said, "Papi, yeah, I just got that muffin dip." No, girl, I ain't giving no mouth, man. I ain't giving you long strokes. They call me Papi. They call me Papi Long Stroke for a reason, baby. I'm long stroking you over here, man. Yeah, Auntie J, how you doing, my dear? I hope you're feeling better, baby. Miss Sweet Diva, yeah, yeah, they in court right now because they trying to get the case dismissed because it was a lot of they're going for an illegal search, an illegal entry to the house. Um, it's like the A had a hard on for these people for a while. They have been investigated. Young Thug and the YSL crew for since 2014, something like that, 13, 14. So they've been investigating them for like 10 years now. You know what I mean? So now the lawyer that Young Thug got, that man is a pit bull, yo. That man is a pit. I wish I would have got home earlier, yo. That man is a damn pit bull, yo. He came into that courtroom and he came gun blazing. He came over there like, yo, I want this, and I want that. That's illegal. He got real spicy with the lawyer. I mean, with the judge. Yeah, let me see what you said, man. Yeah, man. Hey, I never got no complaint, man. They call me PAPI Strolls over here, man. Look at Sugar Bun. Took I three of my nigga like sluts. Yeah, all right, baby. Just Jay say Poppy sound like he telling lies. Ain't no lies over here, man. Ain't no lies over here. I got results. I got how you call that? When you go into a restaurant and go to Google me. You can Google me and go to Yelp. My Yelp page. All my reviews are good, baby. I get 9s and 10s, man. All my review. No, online. I get 5 stars all the time. Yeah, Mr. O, how you doing, boss, man? Yeah, let me see what the mouth do, man. We don't do no mouth over here on Sugar Bum, man. It's all long strokes, man. I'm hitting it from half court. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Just waiting until the goddamn audio come back, man. The whole day, this goddamn court, the audio keep fucking up, yo. I am so sorry. It's not me. It's the goddamn court audio that is messing up. And I really want to continue listening because I'm pretty sure we don't got no more than 10, 15, 20 minutes probably because it's pretty late. This is in ATL, so I'm pretty sure the courts could close 5 in the afternoon. So they doing overtime right now. So I apologize for no sound, but it's not me. It's the goddamn court. In the meantime, please hit the like button, man. Please make sure you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. Hook your boy up, man. And also, I need a few cash ass supporter, man, so I can buy Sugar Bun some pills. I need some cash ass supporter so I can buy Just Jay some pills too. I need some cash ass supporter so I can buy Movie J some pills, some Plan B pills real quick, so we can get that taken care of. Yeah, these people they don't want to. The sound is not coming up. You think so, Just Jay? Hit him with that. Oh man, hold on. Is this famous picture? Hold on 1 second. Let me find it, yo. Hey man, and please hit the like button, man. Hit the lights. Oh man, my girl, Sweet Diva, just subscribe. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. I'm getting closer to 2,000, man. So I need everybody to kind of ride the wave, yo. Ride the wave. This thing gonna get better, man. Your boy got monetized. Oh, I'm having a monetization party too. Y'all want some music? Sugar Bone, you gonna twerk? Yes, Jay, you gonna twerk too? I'm having a party. I'm having a whole party. Yeah, make sure you have your mama, your daddy, your brothers, your uncles, your grandfather, everybody to subscribe, man. I need everybody to subscribe. So I need to get, once I get to 2,000, the next mark would be 5,000. Then the next one would be 10,000. That's the only way somebody gonna make some money out of this thing. If you got those kind of you need to have numbers in this thing. Sugar Bone, you ain't sub, baby. Oh man, you tripping. She said, "Love your accent." Oh yeah, baby. I was born in Colombia. I was raised between. I was all over the place. But I was raised in Brooklyn, New York. Sugar Bone, you know you sub, man. You love your boy, man. I don't know why you be fronting. You be fronting, yo. Stop fronting, man. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your health, okay? Yeah, man. Let me see what you said, man. I only saw to simps. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm sorry, man. Just Jay, she say, okay. Yeah, man. I'm sorry. Let me see if they can. No, yeah, it's not me, man. It's the audio in the goddamn core that it keep going in and out. Let me see if I can find another source. I mean, everybody's gonna be. It's only one people's showing the. It's only one channel. I mean, technically, it's a few channels showing the whole core live right now, but they don't got no sounds right now either. I'm checking right now. So I'm glad I ain't the only one. So like, anyways, like, y'all ain't answer my question, man. Do y'all think that Mr. Gunna snitch? Yes or no? Yeah, and then we also, hold on, let me see one. This nigga right here, they mute too. There's nothing going on. Yeah, it's nothing coming up. They don't got no sound either. Oh, we back, baby.
All right, what's your pleasure, sir? I mean, I know you have a few motions that are pending, but what's your pleasure on that? You wish to talk to the state, or what do you think?
You know, we are in discussion with the state. I hope that an offer that I'm trying to accept will come through. At this point, I know that the benefit of talking to my client because he's being moved. Hopefully, once I get an offer, I can present it to him. Otherwise, we'll be ready to go forward on motions.
Okay.
No, he will not be here on Monday. He's currently probably in process into CDC. And once he's processed in, I'll get notification. And then I can start the process to bring him back to Fulton. So it may be one day next week or possibly before trial.
Yes, sir. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing. If you just come on Monday, Mr. Chamberlain is trying to work that issue with the, again, you got to go through GDC and probably the success and everything else. So we'll see if we can talk to that state.
No, we completely understand all the logistics. We're not trying to rush anything.
Oh, yeah.
We'll deal with it with you guys.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, I know business, and if you want to stick around, it's fine. If you want to be excused, that's okay too.
I'll stick around for a minute. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Menez, didn't we rule on some of your motions already?
Menace, yes, Judge.
Yeah.
No, Your Honor, we only had addressed bond. And then I did have another motion about bond as well, but I had filed about, it was like 21 motions, I think only 18 of them are required, and only 3 of them are required. Yes, you have.
Mr. Weinstein.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we don't have anything else to hear from you for the time being. We're going to table your motion. We're going to table your motion, correct?
That's correct. We also have a motion regarding the rap lyrics, but obviously that will wait till
Wait till the
whatever date that is.
So you're welcome to stay, you're welcome to Mr. Kenny, still with you?
Yes.
Okay, so you're welcome to either stay or to proceed on Monday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Dahmer? Madam, you still representing Congress, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And now, you don't have any motions at this point in time, but are you gonna file some?
Yes, Judge, I will.
Okay, So do you wish to remain or do you want your release?
I'm gonna remain because I actually joined it, that's why I adopted.
Okay, all right. Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay, you're good.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you again, I'm sure on the 19th. All right, okay. All right, well, today is Brian. All right, Ms. D. Williams, sorry, ma'am, sorry, we appreciate you being patient with us. Do you have any other motions at this point in time now?
No, Your Honor, I don't have anything right now.
Okay, do you and your client wish to remain, or you want to, we'll see you on Monday?
See us on Monday.
All right, and have you had an opportunity to talk with the state?
No, Your Honor.
Would you like to do so?
No, thank you.
Okay, all right, just want to make sure, change your mind, let us know, okay, but we'll see you on Monday.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Ryan, we'll see you on Monday, okay? All right, thank you, sir. Mr. Wright, we'll see him on Monday, yes. All right, and try to check in with Mr. Stevens, we'll see them on Ms. Gladden, we'll see her on Monday. Yeah, but she has emotions right now. She's gonna take it for a time being. Ms. Gladden, are you gonna be able to join us on Monday?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, all right. Okay, Mr. Short, Mr. Botts, are we gonna see you all on Monday? I know we're gonna.
Yes.
Okay, all right, so, but I'm continuing or otherwise pursuant to your, request, your motion to dismiss and motion to suppress.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, all right, okay.
Okay, on, Mr. Jackson.
Mr. Yes, Mr. Jackson, do you have anything else from Mr. Jackson that you want?
Yeah, we do, I don't know exactly what you're asking me. We do have pending motions.
Such as, I thought we.
Well, my question is, we're done with
Damn it, man. The sound went away again, man. These people, bro. The court system makes billions of dollars every goddamn year, and they can't even afford some goddamn Airbus and shit like that, yo. All that money they be taking away from niggas, man. They cannot goddamn afford a nice little. With all that money that they made, man, they should be able to afford some goddamn some beats by Drake, something like that, man. Some crazy ass sound. Now, man, I don't know if y'all seen. Do y'all see Young Thug? Young Thug is sitting down. It's like a ladder then. Come on, yeah, it's coming back. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go back up. Come on. Come on with the sound.
Closer to trial?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Or before that particular evidence is supposed to be admissible?
Yes, Your Honor, I imagine I'm not the only party that's going to be interested in that.
Okay.
We filed a motion in limine that kind of complements that motion. We kind of said, okay, so we responded out to this. We also have the state's motion in limine to admit co-conspirator hearsay, which is related to that motion, so we'd be asked that they be heard at the same time.
Okay. All right. So I'll table that for the time being. What about your motion to dismiss the indictment, and motion to amended motion to dismiss?
I have it, those are on constitutional speedy trial grounds. It's going to be a bit lengthy, in all candor to the court, but I'm at the court's pleasure. I will also inform the court that I do need to speak with the state because there are specific photo lineups that were presented to a witness that I'm unable to find in the discovery, and I'm not attributing blame to the state, but I need to figure out where those are because that's going to be an issue regarding a witness as well.
Your Honor, I'd ask that the court allow us an opportunity to speak a little bit further to flesh out those issues with Mr. Sharp and to have his motion to dismiss based on constitutional speedy grounds heard at a date later than today.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's fine. Mr. Hoover? As it pertains to Mr. Sullivan, didn't we take care of your motions already?
Most of them, Your Honor.
Yeah, which ones left?
Well, the majority of them have to do with, after we get done with the 702 hearing, so that's not an issue right now. The state is trying to use two of my clients' priors against them, so we will have to take that issue up at some point. And other than that, I just have. I'm
Yes, Young Thug.
to talk about once we get closer to the trial.
Okay, all right.
Do you see Young Thug sitting down right there? He got his dress braided. Do you see him? He sit right there next to the white bald-headed guy right there. He ain't said nothing.
Mr. Rubin, obviously. Oh, why did he leave? Where's,
I think he said that Mr. Kerr.
Mr. Kearns, do we know anything about Mr.? Okay, all right, I understand. Okay, I just wanted to count. All right, no problem. Okay.
On behalf of Mr. Sullivan, I would like to state, but Mr. Sullivan has expressed that he does not want to, and I'm okay with him not being here for it.
Oh, you gonna waive his presence?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sullivan, you okay with, your lawyer, just being here for purposes of any other things that might be of interest to you?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry?
I said, yes, sir. I don't have to use.
Oh, fine, okay, yeah. Do you wanna come back after you use the restroom or what?
Yes, sir. I just had.
Okay. That's fine, I'll let him waive his presence for the time being. All right, Edward, I think that you're good. I think that. Let me take that. I think I'll do anybody else that can take that. If I'm gonna see that long, but you see me.
I'd like to also be excused at this particular point. Mr. Grax, certain on mine.
Sir, I am, assuming that you will waive me his presence, that's fine. I don't think I'm gonna go much longer. I'm gonna probably, I think I have to take one witness from the state. Is that right? And I think that's it I think that's gonna be it for today. We got a little bit of a late start due to technology. It wasn't anybody's fault, but, just so we can kind of, move accordingly. That's what I was gonna do. So, Mr. Menez, I'm gonna hold off on, are you having discussions with the state, sir? Mr. Menez? Are you having any, I'm gonna hold off on your motions because I've kind of run out of time and space for today. But, are you having any discussions with the state, sir?
Not anymore than a regular position. So, I don't know, I haven't heard anything. Except for,
Ms. Love, or Ms. Hilton, have you had any discussions with Mr. Menez?
Your Honor, we had a conversation with Mr. Menez last night. At this point, we are still in conversation. You want to have a conversation.
Okay.
just if you're having a conversation about a fee that doesn't involve this type of collaboration.
Well, I don't need to know anything about that. That's up to you and your client, and certainly, I don't want to violate any attorney-client privilege, but, that's certainly up to you, sir. And, whatever you can negotiate with the state, if that's the case, I'll let you all finish those discussions, okay? All right. Okay, all right. Do you have to waive your client's presence?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. All right, all right, say, go ahead and call your witness, so we can go ahead and take this,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Agent who?
Raisi, R-A-I-S-S-I.
You okay, Christina, do you need to? Are you Agent Rahisi, sir? Hi, good afternoon, good evening, sir. If you could please approach the witness stand once you get there, if you'd be so kind to turn and face Deputy Talton, sworn as a witness, please.
You swear to firm testimony to the court. All of this,
I do. David, T-A-P-I-E, last name Gracie, R-A-I-S-S-I.
Good evening, Raisi. Where are you currently employed?
The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, commonly referred to as the ATF.
And how long have you been with the ATF?
About 2 years.
Prior to working with the ATF, where were you employed?
County Police Department, Georgia. Just was Connecticut, clear Georgia.
And how long were you in County Police Department?
10.5 years.
What was your last assignment with the County Police Department?
I was assigned as a detective to the Crimes Against Persons Division, and also a task force officer with the ATF.
And how long did you serve as a detective with the ATF?
6.5 years.
I want to take you to 2014, where you worked with the County Police Department.
I was
And what capacity did you work with the County Police Department?
a detective division of Crimes Against Persons Division.
And during this period of time, did you have the occasion to conduct an interview with Justice Williams?
I did.
And where did you conduct that?
I was at the Cache County Jail on Memorial Drive.
And do you see Mr. Justice Williams as a court today?
I do.
And you can identify him as our court today?
He's sitting to my right at the defense table at third, gentleman over, wearing a dark colored jacket, white shirt, and tie. The third second over.
Your Honor, let's reflect the rights to get a contact.
Yeah.
And why did you want to speak with Mr. Williams today?
We had a shooting that occurred in Cobb County in April 26th of the same year, and we believe that Mr. Williams may have some information that will be involved in that incident.
Now, you work for Cobb County, but you was DeKalb County Jail?
That's correct.
Do you know why he was in the DeKalb County Jail?
He was arrested in reference to a warrant out of DeKalb County.
And when you went to the DeKalb County Jail, did you ever speak to him about the DeKalb County?
No.
Now, when you went to the interview, were you there with anyone?
Yes, it was.
Who was there?
A special agent with ATF, Tyler Cunningham.
And why was Agent Cunningham with you for this particular interview?
The ATF was involved in a larger investigation, and she was one of the representatives that were there, and I got in contact with her just to see if I could go to DeKalb County and interview Mr. Williams in reference to my case.
Now, when you went to DeKalb County to speak with Mr. Williams, were there any warrants when we were at the DeKalb County that you were investigating?
No.
Was he a suspect in that DeKalb County?
No, not an official suspect, just potentially involved person or someone that would have information for us.
And when you went to the DeKalb County Jail, were you able to speak with Mr. Williams?
I was.
And did you read him his Miranda warning before you spoke with or interviewed Mr. Williams?
Special Agent Tyler Cunningham read him his Miranda warnings, but yes, I was present when that occurred.
And why did Agent Cunningham choose to read Mr. Williams' Miranda?
Objection. Speculation.
Did you all have
Okay, I'll stand objections to form. Go ahead and rephrase, please, ma'am.
Did you and Agent Cunningham have any conversations prior to going in about reading Mr. Williams' Miranda warnings?
Yes.
And what was your reason for wanting to still read Mr. Cunningham Mr. Williams' Miranda warnings?
He was in custody, and we were going to be questioning him. And we were law enforcement, so.
And again, he was not in custody pursuant to what you were investigating in DeKalb County.
That's correct.
Now, when you began interviewing Mr. Williams, did he appear to understand English?
Absolutely.
Did he appear to be under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No, he did not.
Did he appear to be coherent?
Yes.
Did he appear to be sick at all?
No.
Did you give him any promise or hope of benefit to get him to speak with you?
No.
Did you coerce Mr. Williams into making any statements, threats, or action?
No.
Here we go.
Did you hold out the remotest fear or injury to get him to speak with you?
No.
Now, you can tell the court a little about your style and how you interviewed Mr. Williams.
This interview was non-confrontational, more of like a conversation interview. Mostly just about background information. It wasn't directed towards any sort of particular crime until the latter, probably.
The goddamn sound went away again, man. What the hell? Who are you talking about, Just Jay? That's the unfortunate part. I hope you working on another citizenship. Who? What guy you talking about? Yeah, this kid, man, this goddamn choreo, this motherfuckers, man, pieces of garbage, you whore. How the hell you gonna mess up when they interviewing? That's the cop right there. That's one of the detectives right there. They violated a whole lot of rules. Allegedly, the warrant that they're supposed to run, it was run. It wasn't done properly. So it's a lot. It's a whole lot of. It's a lot. They miss a whole lot of steps. So who knows, man? Who know? I don't know, but still, like at the end of the day, it doesn't. We don't know if he's still gonna hold in court, man. Yeah, man. Goddamn. Come back, man. Come back. Stop playing with me. mean, yes, when the goddamn case was getting good. I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Hopefully, it should come back in a minute. Hold on 1 second. Damn, damn, man. They asking this guy some very important questions right now. Shit. By the way, guys, it's not me. It's the goddamn core system that is messing up. He's been doing that the whole time. The whole damn time. So please don't blame me. Please don't blame me. Hopefully, it should be coming back real soon because they've been doing it the whole time. In the meantime, please hit the like button, man. It's coming back. It's coming back right now. It's coming back. 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna first show you what's in Martin Exhibit 5 NJW. Tell me if you recognize Exhibit 5 NJW.
I do.
And how do you recognize Exhibit 5 NJW?
This is a advice of rights and waiver form, commonly referred to as a Miranda form, that the U.S. Department of Justice, the ATF, utilized, and it's what we utilized on the day in question.
And is that the form that you went over with him?
Yes, we did jointly. Yes.
Is this a fair, accurate copy or a picture of the form that you went over with Mr. Williams back in July 2015?
Absolutely.
Your Honor, this time say like 10 Exhibit 5 NJW is evidence.
Any objection, sir?
Not for purposes of today's hearing, Your Honor.
Okay.
Saving for the next one.
All right, stage 5, NJW is admitted for purpose of motion.
Okay, and I'm also going to show you what's on the mark as Exhibit 4 NJW. Do you recognize Exhibit 4 NJW?
I do.
And how do you recognize Exhibit 4 NJW?
I reviewed and listened to audio on this disc this morning, and I initialed and dated the disc.
And did that appear to be the full interview that you had with Mr. Williams back in July 2015?
Yes, there are 2 files, full interview.
Okay, Your Honor, this time say you also like to Exhibit 4 NJW is evidence.
All right, no objection?
Right, for purpose
of motion. So states 4 NJW is also purpose of motion.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, HRC, if you can go through from beginning to end the states of rights form that you did or completed with Mr. Williams back in July 2015.
Yes, ma'am. You want me to read the top to the bottom of every word?
Top to the bottom.
Okay. U.S. Department of Justice, Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, Advice of Rights and Waiver, and it's titled Statement of Rights. The first bullet point is you have the right to remain silent. The second bullet point is anything you say can be used against you in court. The third, you have the right to talk to a lawyer before we ask you any questions and to have a lawyer with you during questioning. Fourth, if you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you if you wish before any questioning begins. And the fifth bullet is if you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. Next is a waiver. It says, I have read this statement of my rights or have been read to me, and I understand these rights. At this time, I am willing to answer questions without a lawyer present. No promise or threats have been made to me, and no pressure or force of any kind has been used against me. Then there's a signature line, a printed name line, a witness signature line, a printed name line, a date and a time, and then a note at the bottom margin, note previous editions are obsolete, and then the ATF form number 3200.4, and it was revised September 2005.
And that is the form that you went over with Mr. Williams back on July 15, 2015.
Yes, ma'am.
Was Mr. Williams ever arrested as it relates to the car change shooting when he was arrested?
He was not arrested.
Did you ultimately arrest someone as it relates to that case?
Yes, we did.
And who was that person that you were arrested and charged in that incident?
Jimmy Winfrey.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to, they can do it now or they can do it later, publish State's Exhibit 4 MJW, the relevant portion, Your Honor.
How long are we talking about in terms of
Probably the relevant portion, at least for this witness, will probably be about 7 minutes.
Okay. All right.
It is obvious.
All right, go ahead. Get it. Go ahead and play it.
Well, the total Mr. Steele, correct, the actual portion is about 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Is that okay, Your Honor?
Okay.
Your Honor, or if anyone would access, we can share the share capabilities for
I don't know if I can do it. West
I know there's a CCS on this training on the center.
Who? Can we get those of you who may be on the Zoom call from IT, can I get you to please authorize screen sharing for our district attorney, please? Okay, all right, go ahead. I think he's fine.
God damn it. Once again, this is not me. This is the core shitty ass audio system that is fucking up. I don't know what the hell they doing over there, man. Like the audio pretty much go instant now every 5-7 minutes, so it's like expected. Let me. In the meantime, Miss Kayla, thank you for being here, darling. Zachariah, man, thank you for being here, bro. My girl Jess J, she say Jeffrey Dalton Luke. That's funky though. Yeah, he look like a You're like a normal human being right now. Man, when you facing 30, 40 years, man, I guess you gotta be, I guess you gotta be quiet, I guess, huh? You cannot be acting wild. All I know, if he take, I don't think this wanna go to trial. Usually, most RICO cases never go to trial, but he trying to make the best, trying to get the best deal that he can get. Because if you go to trial on a RICO case and you lose, it's a lot of charges, and they're gonna make you run all those charges consecutive. So most likely you're gonna be like 50 years in there. So most likely, my guess is that Young Thug gonna get about 12 to 15. That's my guess. That's what I mean. It's a lot. That's still a lot of time, but better than 30, 40 years. That's all I know. That's all I know, man. Yes. Hopefully, who knows? Because all I know is you are presumed innocent until you found guilty. You are innocent until you found. You see what I'm saying? So we gotta see. This case is gonna be this court. This trial right here is supposed to start on January, the second week of January. So I don't know. And by the court today was on some like emergency court because they're trying to get the case thrown out of court. That's why they're in court right now. They're trying to get this shit out of here. And especially yesterday, last night, Mr. Gunna, he got out of jail. They gave him time served, but he pled guilty. So if anybody from the YSL group, which is about 26 indictment, it's 26 people in online, 28 people in the indictment. If one of them go to court, most likely gonna have to come and testify. Gonna have to get on the stand and testify against them. That's the crazy part about it. Yeah, so hopefully everybody for Gunna, it will be a smart. The artist coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I'll squeeze the bathroom. Thanks.
They questioning the one of the detectives. That's what they
Yeah. It's like you need to go slow so I don't just.
Right, just to let you know, we're trying to get a Bluetooth speaker, hopefully see what's
Or is it possible we can, I mean, are you trying to put that in your speakers on your computer?
Yes, because we can't put the system to the 14 here, the microphone.
Yeah, let's put the microphone, let's see if we can kind of make that work. We've done that before.
Here we go again with this bullshit. Hell no. Yeah, that's the core audio again, man. It is on. I didn't do it. It's the core. It was me. They just be messing up. The audio be messing up the whole day, yo. Let me see if it came back. And now it's mute. Now you can hear nothing. This guy right here is one of the main detectives on the Young Thug case, man. He was the one that did the primary investigations. So they're trying to, like, what they're doing right now, they're trying to get the case thrown out right now. They're trying to get because they did a whole lot of illegal search. They did a whole lot of They're trying to say, from what I was listening when I was driving, that all the evidence that they collected. One second. Yeah, we're back.
Oh, I think it's working in full. You got it. Just share screen. I'll wait. Sure. That's fine. So second. It should. You could also say something about it. I don't have a multitasking.
Excuse me, if you want to share your screen, you need to mute your laptop's microphone and your laptop speaker. You won't need that.
Is it working, Miss Hill?
Thank you.
Hello, this is Simon Hilton.
Ms. Hilton is going to be right back. So you want to talk to them? Adrian, do you want to talk to this?
She's coming right now.
What do you need us to do?
Hello?
Hello, yes, so my name is Ade, I'm from Core Technology. I would like you to please reshare the screen so that the sound can come out properly. Please stop share. Hello, I mean, they can follow my direction.
Just one moment. You need us to stop the share.
Yeah, for a quick yes.
All right, okay.
Good, so next time you click on the share screen button, please, there are two checkboxes underneath that window. One of them says share sound.
They were checked, and we will check them again if you'd like.
You were checked?
They were checked.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Now, we can take out and optimize the video clips if that's not.
You can leave that. You can leave that. That doesn't matter.
Do you want me to test it this way?
I don't think it was working for I think we can work with Abraham to schedule in order to finish the rest of the motion.
Okay, all right. Mr. Steele, if it's okay with you, we have some other administrative concerns about the personnel that's involved in today. And it's at 7 o'clock. As much as I'd like to be hoo-ah and discretion might be the better part of just putting a pin in for today and us picking up for this at that time.
Understood.
Okay, all right. So, Asa Reese, the state will go ahead and arrange for you to come back on a particular date and time, and we'll take up your testimony at that point in time.
Yes, sir.
Okay? All right, thank you, sir. Don't discuss your testimony with anybody except the attorney in this case, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, let me go ahead and, for the purpose of the record, just put on the conversation I had with Mr. Steele.
Yeah, the cork fucking up again with the sound, man. My bad. That's completely out of my control, man. This goddamn thing doesn't want to let me be great, man. It's happening. It's happening to everybody. To whoever is streaming this, streaming the whole Young Thug pace is they going through the same thing. So yes, we gotta want to come back. Should be coming back real soon. Let's hope it's real fast. I'm surprised the court is going this late, yo, because shit. Usually the court, I don't know. I mean, this is in ATL. I don't know. I know, right? Because yeah, I'm glad that ain't me. Yeah, like maybe it might be a strategy too. They don't want to tell you all the details of the goddamn of the case file. That might be one of the issues. Maybe I don't know. That can be one of them. I don't know, because usually this thing be good. The sound be good. I don't know what's going on. Um, it's like it's continue going in and out. Yeah, I think so. I really believe that's what it is. It might be that. It might be like they're trying to like not give you all the details of the case. They're already saying that Young Thug is he's a messed up human being. He be training people. They don't want him to know where the witnesses live at and all of that. Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows? Mm-hmm. Damn. Yeah, so come on, man. Come back. Come back. Come back to Poppy, man. Just give me a few more minutes, yo. That's all. In the meantime, man, please hit the like button. Also, I got membership. My channel just got monetized, so I need a few of you people to subscribe to the membership of the channel, man. It's less than $5 per month. That that will help the channel to run a little bit better with whoever becomes a member of it. So just please hit that link and become a member of the channel. I hope, yeah. Let me see what this crazy woman is saying. Let me see. Say, Papi, why are you on live when you're supposed to be buying me my car? Do you know what's happening? No English. Okay, if you what kind of car you want, baby? What kind of car you want? What kind of car do you want, my baby? Talk to me. Talk to me, Mayo. You ain't telling me what kind of car you want. You want a hookty? You want a Kia? Or a minivan? What do you want, baby? You want a Range Rover? Okay, okay. You're shooting for the stars. All right. Here's the question, though. Do you have Range Rover bots for that? Do you have a Range Rover kind of bots? Now, if you have Range Rover kind of bots, baby, you can have whatever you want. I think people start leaving, I guess. The sound is coming back. The sound is coming back in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No, this goddamn sound, stupid. Shut up. I need the sound of the core, bastard. She say, I can be saying that on the public chat. You can test me. You can let me know if you got Range Rover bots. If you got Range Rover bats, man, you can have everything. You can have everything. I think women with Range Rover bats deserve everything. They deserve the world. You got the grip. You got the grip. I think this car might be over, yo. I think it might be over. I don't know. I give it a couple more minutes. I give it a few more minutes. This was just a last minute kind of. It was a last minute kind of thing. I just wanted to see. I just like the way how Young Thug lawyer handled the whole court. He came in there. I wasn't able to go live that early because I was driving. I was on my way home. I was stuck in traffic actually. I hate being in traffic. Let me see my girl Jay. At least she say, "Bring your ass to Vegas or we gonna fight." You talk about in June or July, right? In June, right? If I'm mistaken, that's when you say June or July. I mean, it's not a big deal, baby. I live nothing but 3.5 hours. You good? I'll come. You still didn't answer my question, man. You want Range Rover, man? Do you have that Range Rover box? See, that got it. That got it match. That got to be equally yoked. I think the court is over. You have to be over in ATL. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, we got plenty of time. I'm pretty sure I'm going. Yeah. Hey, be careful, finance man. That's wifey right there. That's my girl right there. She just don't know it yet. She just don't know it yet. Let me see, man. Yeah, I think it's over. I'll give it a few more minutes, man. So let me see. It's completely mute now. Come on, man. Damn it. I think it was dumb anyway. I think the whole session with Young Thug, because it was like it was the whole it was the 26th member of the whole RICO case was in there. So I don't think they was gonna go through that whole 26. Plus, Young Thug is the only one with the $1 million lawyer. The other guy, the other 25 guys, they had to fight it out with public defenders and whatever lawyers their family got them. Because Young Thug is the only millionaire on that crew. The other niggas was just pretty much the workers. So it just I think that is what it is. The other guy had to fight it out with public defenders and shit like that and pro bono lawyers. And that's a that's a scary thing to do. You're fighting a big case and you have to do it with a public defender. One thing about public defender, 95% of them are trash. That's too much. Not 90%. 90% of public defender, they're not that good, man. They're not that good. All they're gonna do is cut a deal with the prosecution. They all friends. The public defender gets some clout, and the prosecutor gets some clout because usually those guys, the prosecutor usually run to be governors and mayors and district attorney and shit like that. So that looks real good in their file. So if they get like a 90%, 90 something percent conviction rate, they usually run for something big, like being a mayor, being a governor, senator, some of those big time positions, political positions and stuff like that. So, man, if you can, man, stay away from crime. Stay away from crime and just don't ever get a public defender, man. They're gonna fuck your life up. They're gonna make you quote unquote sign. They're gonna make you just get a deal for you, and you're gonna be in jail 20 years, man, fucking around with a goddamn public defender. Yeah, I know. I got a few homies that fight their cases with public defender. That's not a good thing. It's pretty trash, actually. I think this is over. Let me see. This fight thing over here. I give it 2 more minutes. In 2 more minutes, it doesn't come back. It's over. Tomorrow, I'm supposed to be doing a whole monetization party, but I think I'm gonna postpone it to next week. Next week, we're gonna do the monetization party. So bring some ones, probably like Monday or Tuesday, because tomorrow I'm gonna be breaking down. Tomorrow I'm yo fighter. I think the court is over, man. You gotta understand. It's about, let me see. It's about 7 o'clock in ATL. I don't know courts will run that late. I know courts everywhere in every goddamn city I ever lived. They close at 5 o'clock. I think he is over, fighter. I'm just waiting to see to be sure that it's over. Yeah, but like I think the court is over, man. But yeah, but tomorrow I think I want to break down the whole Megan Thee Stallion with versus your boy Tory Lanez and that girl Kelsey Nicole. That whole triangle of love right there. That was crazy right there. I think Kelsey, she jumped on the stage. I mean, she jumped on the panel yesterday and today. I don't know how it went today, but all I know yesterday was Hunger took the fifth. Man, she played the fifth. She played the fifth, which by her not saying anything kind of throw Megan Thee Stallion shit under the bus. So and to remind you, that girl, what's her name? Kelsey or Kaylee, whatever her name is, Kelsey Nicole. She's no friend with Megan Thee Stallion. So tomorrow we're gonna break it down. I'm gonna give you the illest steak ever. I'm gonna tell you what I think. What I think is gonna I'm gonna tell you what actually happened on that whole shooting situation. From the get-go, I always say I don't think Tory Lanez did it, but I got an idea who did it. I remember because I was like, yo, that just don't add up, man. Niggas don't just be shooting females just like for the fun of it. So tomorrow we're gonna break that down. We're gonna do the monetization party probably like Tuesday, something like that, or maybe next Friday, something like that. I'm gonna dedicate the whole day. I probably touch on Young Thug case again. This was just some last minute shit right here. He was very last minute, man. I didn't even have this one scheduled or nothing like that. Let me see. Yeah, it's not even a sound coming out. Nothing. Yeah, it's over. It is over. It's over. Let me get out of here. Let me get this out. Yeah, man. Let me see what time it is. I'm hungry. I probably got to put something on the grill. I'm hungry. Jay Ali, man, you wanna cook for me, baby? Are you cooking anything? Yeah, but the whole case was about it was an emergency court, and Young Thug's lawyer were looking for trying to get the whole case thrown out because it's a lot of dirty policing, a lot of dirty investigation. That it's a lot of dirty files on that case. So from what I heard, according to what I heard from the judge say you're gonna wait into Monday, that's not good. That's not good for the prosecution because usually the judge gonna be like, nah, man, this is the case. This is how we gonna run. So who knows if Young Thug, nah, man, if Young Thug get out of this one, man, that man is the luckiest man on earth. That man looking like 50 years right now. He looking at 50 years right now. So, woo, if I'm Young Thug, if I some way somehow get out of this one, I move. I get the fuck up out of here. I get out, get my money together, and I'm gone. I'm going to one of those countries that they don't extradite people. That's what I would do. Because if, and this is a big if Young Thug happens to be this case, which goddamn, I don't see too much. Like when you go into a Rico case, you don't really beat him. But let's just say if he beat the case, it's a good chance that the feds might pick it up, and you don't want no problem. You don't want no smoke with the feds. This case right here is a state case. State. Now the feds, that's a whole different monster. That's what I'm saying. Like if Young Thug beat this case, I get the fuck up out of here. I will get the fuck up out of here. If that man get to beat the case, man, because it's a good chance the feds will pick it up and it's over. It's over. Yeah, I'm waiting for a few more minutes to see if this thing is gonna come back up. I don't know if anybody wanna come up. Yeah, it just Gunna, for the people that don't know, Gunna got out last night. He pled guilty. He pled guilty. He did some sort of plea deal that he wasn't gonna tell, but the little statement that he read, that sounded very, very, very radish to me. It was, I wouldn't say a rat, but it was radish. You know what I mean? I wouldn't put it past the man told. He probably told a couple secrets. Everybody, all these niggas be telling anyway. These niggas be talking about their street niggas, this and that, woo woo woo. But when they be acting they street niggas when it's time to be a street nigga, they don't want nothing to do with it. They don't want nothing to do with it. They all always in Dogtown like clockwork, man. Hey, please hit the like, man. Hit the like button. Also, oh, I forgot to mention. Thank you for the cash app, man. I don't know how to say that name, but thank you for the cash app. I appreciate you. But yeah, what I was saying, yeah, Gunna got out last night. You know, that man was happy that he got out. He probably told a couple people. My man Gunna was on some crazy shit. So now I'm gonna tell you how Gunna was how he was on the court. You know how Gunna was? Gunna was just like this, man. This is what Gunna was doing. This is how your man Gunna was on that court in the past 3 or 4 months, man, pointing niggas out left and right. Yo, what up, fighter?
Was good. So I saw a thing. I mean, obviously his lawyer gonna ride out for him, right? But the lawyer said in a post that Gunna pleading guilty to it is not gonna implicate no one else or affect anyone else's case. Now I don't know how truthful that is because you know a lawyer gonna lie for his client all day. You know,
nigga, lawyers is big as life.
Yeah, a lawyer will a lawyer will lie, you know, to protect you.
Yeah, the lawyer is 50% truth, but here's the deal: if anyone, you know, it's 26 indictments, right? No, 26 indictments. It's 26 members that went to jail. If any of those happens to go to trial, Gunna has to come and testify.
Right, but now Gunna, he's out the loop now, right? He's good. Right? He home now or no?
No, he is home. He got out last night. You didn't see the video?
I didn't know he was out. I know he was gonna get released. I didn't know he was out.
Well, he got out last night, and the Instagram model couldn't pick that nigga up with a bad BBL. Her BBL was terrible.
Oh, that's crazy. My man just came home too last night. That's crazy.
Yeah, power to him, man. That's a good feeling right there.
what I was gonna say. All right, so now Gunna, if that's it, if he's good, now all he could just plead the fifth, right? He could just not talk.
No, because no, he already once you plead guilty to a felony crime, there isn't the pleading the fifth doesn't work out for you. You plead the fifth before you are convicted of any crime. That's how that works.
So he pled guilty, so now he has to cooperate when he goes up there.
He have to cooperate if any of these guys go to trial, which the chances of they going to trial is very slim. This is a RICO case, man, because this is the thing, like when you go to trial for a RICO case, you're not fighting one charge, you're fighting like
A
7,
bunch,
8,
yeah,
10
yeah,
charges.
yeah,
A
and
lot of
by that,
people
and that they got cases built on you evidence and all that, so some, yeah.
But the only bright part of the whole situation right here is this is the state case, not a
Yeah, it's
federal
not
case.
federal.
Exactly. Now with the feds, nigga, you doomed. You gone. Like they gonna fuck you up. The states, they usually do mistake, and today was the perfect sample because I don't know if you I did this late this live super late. I was driving, right? But I was watching on my phone. Young Thug lawyer, he came with the guns blazing, fam. That motherfucker came over there blazing, fam. Like, yo, I want this. It was illegal. And every point, the judge was like, yeah, you're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. So the prosecution was looking stupid. It was a white girl and a black girl. So both of them were looking stupid as hell. And to the point now that I think that they got to come back on Monday. I don't know if they're going to do it to the open or they're going to do it closed doors. I don't know what kind of court that would be. So yeah, bro. So that thing is just you gotta when it comes to the RICO thing, bro. If you take it to trial and you lose, you gotta do time for every single crime, and that's like it's gonna add up to 50 plus years. So most guys be like, man, I take the 15, bro. I take the 20. You know who gonna get about like you know who about to get sentenced? Casanova.
Yeah, because he
Guess how
pled
much they
guilty,
offer
right?
him? Guess how much they offer him? I mean, no, the suggestion of the that the prosecution is doing. Guess how
Well,
much?
like 20, 30.
20.
Oof.
That nigga got the worst luck in the world, my nigga. That nigga got no love, bro. That nigga was hanging out with JC, my nigga. How the fuck you gonna go from hanging out with Hove, nigga, to going to fucking looking at 20 years in jail now, bro? You was at the Rock Nation lunch, bro. That's crazy, man. That's
Oh, yeah.
crazy. Man.
It's over.
Yeah, but I remember I heard matter of fact, like 2 weeks ago, I heard about the Young Thug case wasn't that strong like that. Like it's a whole lot of holes in them. It's a lot of holes in them. You see what I'm saying? And in this case, whatever happened to this case is gonna affect whatever happened to. Remember a homeboy that used to mess with Lil Wayne's daughter, YFN, I think that's the name, YFN, Lucius and shit like that. He kind of tied
Yeah.
into this case too because they were dumping on each other.
So is he free though? He's free though, right?
All the niggas is locked up, bro.
Oh, he locked. Oh, wife and Luke, the little short nigga with the nose ring. Oh shit, he locked up too.
Yeah,
Oh
all of
shit,
them.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah, all of them got locked up, son. All of them, man.
Oh, because what? There was like a body behind that. Somebody got taken out.
Yeah, both sides. It's like two gangs going at each other. The Bloods,
Oh,
I think that nigga might be like a Crip or a GD or whatever the fuck that nigga white family is. I know the Young Thugs, they Bloods for sure over there. They Perus. Yeah, each side got like a body and shit like that. So, and that's what's fucking up Young Thug, the bodies. The lawyer, his lawyer did a great job establishing most of the evidence that they recovered, it was done in an illegal manner. You see what I'm saying? So the nigga was like, yo, I want this case thrown out right now. I was like, he made me a believer. Nigga like, God damn, this motherfucker got some balls. He was over there just blazing gun, friend. He was like, yo, this is not what we stand for, this and that. The whole state, like this. He was talking spicy, bro. He was talking real spicy, man.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know the particulars of the case, but I mean, they let Gunna off.
The thing with Gunna was in the shot color. Gunna was like he knew, but he wasn't the guy getting active. You see what I'm saying?
He was just involved, like he was just around.
Yeah, he just a rapper. He just rapping. You know what rappers? He doing what rappers do, just flexing and say that they about this life, they about that life. He pretty much he kind of like guilty by association in a way. So they told him, hey, like, hey man, I think that was you know what I think? I think that the prosecution know that the case is not that strong. So they go ahead, they were like, yo, Gunna, we're gonna let you go. We're gonna make you wanna sign this little thing right here. We're gonna put you on ice just in case that when we're gonna get your buddy, Young Thug, we might need you to come over here take the stand, bro. That's probably what I think that's the move for the prosecution. That's what they doing, man. You know them people play dirty, bro. They will get your motherfucking mama to testify against you. So who knows, man? Like the other case that I'm really was waiting for was that the Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know the particulars. Well, I heard that they were all in the car and they were fighting over the gun, and then Shorty, that chick Kelsey, was the one that shot it.
Yeah, I mean,
By
as of right now, bro, don't nobody know who the hell shot that
Yeah,
one.
right. Yeah, because that story been real iffy, and then they've been talking about they don't even know if Megan got shot or not.
Bro, let me tell you something, man. I've been shot before, man. That doesn't look like a bullet one. That doesn't look like a bullet one. I mean, I might be wrong, son, but
Yo,
that looked like a straight old glass cups. I've been cut before in my feet, and he looks just like that. I don't know, big, and he just the thing with Megan, that case, bro, that story is all over the place. She don't tell that story about 5 times. First of all, I don't know who the hell is Megan Thee Stallion lawyer is, bro. That gotta be the worst. That lawyer they need to take his license away, fam.
Yeah, but Megan Thee Stallion, she fucked up because I remember when it first happened, she went online talking about it.
That's what I'm saying, but that's not even her fault, because you gotta understand, Megan Thee Stallion, she just a ratchet bitch, my nigga. That's the lawyer's fault, bro. The lawyers gotta step in and be like, yo, listen, I don't care what you do. Talk about your pussy, go twerk your fucking, go twerk for 25 hours and shit like that. I don't care. Just don't talk about the case. That's it. Don't talk about the case. It's not that hard, actually. When somebody asks you anything about the case, you have to do like, hey man, this is an ongoing case. Whenever the case done, then we're gonna sit down and talk about it. She was doing it straight on lives and everything. I mean, to remind you though, she really doesn't have like, oh, it's kind of hard to explain. It's not that hard because it's not necessarily Megan Thee Stallion is going at Tory. It's the state of California going at Tory. You see what I'm saying? So, but the state, still, the prosecution should have told her that, yo, don't talk about the case. Either way, she shouldn't be talking about the case. Because I'm pretty sure she's the main witness. She's the victim. So she's the main the main character. By any point, she shouldn't be talking about the case either way. Nobody look what Tory did. Every time Tory say even every time that Tory say anything about the case, man, they span that nigga. Hell, they violated that nigga one time. They violated his goddamn bond. Yeah, the rat gang's having a rough week, bro.
That chick, Yeah, so nobody gonna want to fuck with her. She been talking too much.
At this point, bro, this was gonna happen in that case, man. Somebody' career gonna get fucked up. If Tory is guilty, man, that nigga part of here, bro. That nigga gonna get like 15 years, man. You see what I'm saying? His career is over. I mean, when you get in 15 years, your career over anyway, so that goes along. If Megan Thee Stallion happens to be lying about blaming Tory Lane shatter, and instead of saying that her hunger shattered, Megan Thee Stallion, she probably gonna get some backlash, maybe for like a week, maybe, and that's it. Because nothing happens to female when they lie anyway.
Right. Yeah, women go rat and they don't matter. Yo,
Yeah.
to be honest with you, I think they're gonna drop that shit. I think Tory gonna come off.
He have to, because the evidence, yo, the main witness is the girl, the Kelsey, isn't it Casely?
Kelsey, yeah, Kelsey, yeah.
The main witness is Casely, bro, man, Casely. So, bro, she already went there yesterday saying, yo, I played the fifth. Which that indirectly fuck whatever Megan Thee Stallion say that the past 2 days.
Yeah, people were saying that Tory probably paid her off.
Shit, nigga, that wouldn't be a bad idea, my nigga. Why not? Because listen, Megan Thee Stallion, she got some money. She's a rap star. Tory Lane, he's a rap star. They got a couple dollars. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously, Tory got way more money than Megan for the simple fact he been out in the game longer. Megan only got like 2 summers under her belt. They don't really got no money like that when they in the beginning. Yo, son, nigga, like if I'm that Kesley girl, bro, I'm like, yo, whoever got $1 million for me, man, that's how we gonna play this. I'm the one, like the Kesley girl, she don't got no career. She was like Megan Thee Stallion assistant. She used to carry her bags.
Yeah, I heard it was something about that Tory was dealing with her or like getting at her or something. I think it was like some jealousy shit. I don't fucking know. And
Nigga,
then they
Tory
started
was
arguing.
fucking both of them, bro. He was fucking both of them. Okay, Tory was fucking the Kesley Nicole girl first. Then the Megan Thee Stallion, bro, backdoor her hunger and started fucking on the nigga. That's what happened.
Okay. Oh yeah, that shit, man, that shit fishy as fuck. But Kelsey pled the fifth, man. Shout out to her. She pled the fifth, so that right there, like that was gonna be the only person that could really blame Tory. So she's all he might be all good. He might be good.
Yes,
I think he
yeah,
might
like
be good.
that. I mean, I haven't heard what happened today because she's supposed to get on the stand today. She's supposed to get cross-examinated and shit like that. So yesterday it was definitely a win for that nigga Tory Lanez and shit like that. Because you see, Tory is fucked up, bro. Because Tory is not only he's fighting for his career, he's fighting for his freedom and he's fucking and staying in America. Because he gets fucked up, they're gonna send that nigga back to Canada and shit like that. And he made his money over here in America. So that nigga fighting for a whole lot of shit. You see what I'm saying? At the same time, from what I read was they offered a nigga a plea deal. That nigga was like, no, nigga, fuck that. Ain't no fucking plea deal. But he can't obtain no plea deal because then they will send him back to Canada. That shit.
Yeah, they deported me. Yeah, I know a dude that got deported. I didn't even know that nigga was Canadian. Some Spanish dude, he got deported. He was born in Canada. They sent that back. He called like a dumbass little case. They sent his ass right back to Canada.
Was it a felony? Because usually misdemeanor, they leave you alone.
Yeah, I think it was a felony. Yeah, I think it was a felony.
Every time you get deported, it's always a felony.
Yeah, I think it was a felony. They sent that ass right back. He ain't even do time. They just sent his ass.
Hell yeah, man. Yes, man. Now with this, man, back to this Young Thug shit, man. The homie, man. Do you think gonna snitch? Do you think gonna scrap?
Who Young Thug?
No, Gunna.
I mean, at this point, yeah, because then what happens if he doesn't sell?
Shit, man. Yes, I mean, if he doesn't tell, obviously he got to fight it out. He got to fight that thing out, bro.
If he doesn't tell, then what happens? Then he got to do the 5 years.
No, nigga. If he doesn't tell, he got to do like 20. Shit, nigga. He doesn't tell. He got it. Where did them boys play?
Well, the thing is, he got to tell. He can only tell on what he knows, right? Quote unquote. So if they ask him certain questions, like I don't know about that. Like I honestly don't know, right? Right. He could play dumb. He could play dumb, right?
Yeah, but when you play dumb, them boys can stick you up. You know how the feds play dirty, bro. The feds play dirty, man. They play dirty, bro. If they even think that you playing them, bro, they're gonna stick you with a whole lot of jail time. Oh, you playing? Oh, I was gonna give you 3 years. Now I'm gonna give you 8. I seen judge, man. I have been in courts before, bro, where the judge got mad. This nigga gave this nigga extra time for no reason just because he got mad. They be giving time like it's candy, bro. You see what I'm saying? So, boy, that's a scary place to be at, my nigga. I'll never go back to them places. Let me knock on wood, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Nigga, like when you there is nothing worse, bro. Be sitting in them rooms talking to a bunch of niggas that you never met in your life, nigga, telling you what your life is about to be in the next 2, 3, 5, 10 years, nigga. Telling you exactly what you're gonna be doing in the future. You're gonna be working for fucking 8 cents an hour, nigga. Eating some disgusting food, bro.
Yeah, like my man, he just came home last night. Because he went for a census modification. He was supposed to do like another year and a half, and they just said, "Yo, you know what? Time served." So that nigga came home like he did like half of his time.
How much time he did?
He did like 2 years and like 3 months. So he went in. He went in 2020.
Oh, so he's spending his whole pandemic over there.
Yep. He got locked up right in the summer.
Damn, nigga.
In the summer 2020.
2 years, to be fair, nigga. 2 years not that bad. I mean, it is bad you in the cage, nigga, but it's not like that bad. Because I got homies that got they got hoodles for time, nigga. I got a lot of homies in the pen, bro. I got one doing like 19 for body, and now I got another one doing 17 for attempted murder. And I got
that 10 murder be crazy. Sometimes you better off just killing the person.
Oh, you are. That's what sometimes that's what they tell you. Sometimes that's what sometimes your defense lawyer told him that. I'm like, nigga, you better decapitate this motherfucker because
you might as well do it. You might get away with because now the nigga survived. He could you know what I mean? He could blame it on you.
Exactly. Like that happened to one of my homies. He got into how you call one of those like the boyfriend, one of those triangle crimes and shit like that. One of those love crimes, right?
Yeah.
Like my homie, I remember I was riding with the car one day, my nigga, he called his baby mama in Chicago, little Puerto Rican joint. Bad as hell. Badass, bro. Nigga, he got, and then some nigga answered the phone. So they got, the classic nigga shit. They got into it back and forward. So he hung up the phone, my nigga. I was like, my nigga, man, all you have to just worry about raising your kid and everything, bro. So he left it alone, this and that. 3 or 4 months passed, right? He went to Chicago, bro. to see his kid because he had a little boy with the girl. Man, tell me why this dumbass bitch some way somehow thought it was a good idea for have these two niggas cross path. Like bro, if you know that your baby daddy gonna come pick up the little boy, why don't you just tell the nigga to fuck up out the crib, man, and your new boyfriend, knowing that these two niggas got bad blood. But she thought it was a good idea to have these two guys cross path, bro. They cross path. My man whip out, put 3 on him. Nigga didn't die, fam. Put the nigga in the wheelchair. Put him in the wheelchair.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and guess what? That bitch, she ain't with none of them niggas now. She was on new nigga.
The nigga in the wheelchair, his dick don't work, so obviously he ain't fucking her no more. My nigga, he in jail doing fucking 17 for the attempted joint, and
she got
she out here tapping it, fucking tatting it out, man. Doing what hoes do, nigga. Jump from dick to dick. She's a pretty woman, so obviously she gonna get fucking holla left and right. Rush, what's good, family?
Yo, what's good? What's good? Man, that's how that shit work out now, man.
Yeah,
you know, some of these boys, they like that drama shit, you heard?
My nigga, no, that's not even the only one. I got 2 other homies on the same shit, nigga. The other time was one of my homies, man. It was a boyfriend and girlfriend situation, bro. Nigga, like, like then 2 niggas, like the new boyfriend, he felt spicy, this and that, punched my nigga. My nigga's a little sling nigga, but this nigga, he a shooter. So this nigga walked to the car. This genius.
That's guaranteed action, know what I mean?
No, but my homie was living, but my homie was living, fam. I walked the nigga outside. I'm like, yo, nigga, we get this nigga some other day, whatever. Bro, the new boyfriend seen the nigga leaving. He jumped the little balcony. We were at the club. He jumped the balcony, go and punch the homie. Bow! Nigga, my nigga couldn't live with it, bro. That nigga pull out that pistol and drive. And that part right there, that shit was crazy because look, my nigga pull out the hammer, right? Obviously, if I pull the hammer on you, bro, either you're gonna stand still or you just gonna run away. This nigga actually trying to snatch this nigga hammer from his hand. That nigga let it loose, bro. Drop that nigga, bro.
Man, I be telling niggas, man, don't fall for the okie doke, man. These chicks, they get off on that shit, man. They like seeing shit like that. Know what I mean? They go back running to their girlfriends, tell them like, yeah, my man shot this other nigga, yada yada yada. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know what I'm saying? And they all fucking celebrate that shit. Man, that's sucking shit to me, nigga. Like I'll never shoot a nigga over a bitch, nigga. Word of my meds. I'll never do no sucking shit like that. Know what I mean?
I have been close to those situations a couple times, bro. Like nigga, like you in the middle stroking a bitch, and the new nigga pop up out of nowhere, bro.
Man,
I swear, bro. That happens, my nigga. Trust me, that happens, nigga. I was ready to give it to Buddy, my nigga. Thank God, Buddy didn't come in the crib, nigga. Or it would have been something like that. Remember that rapper nigga Travel? ATL, the nigga run up in the crib.
Yeah.
It was one of those situations, but the only difference with me that the nigga didn't come in the crib, nigga. But I was ready. I was looking loaded, ready to go, son. Like for real.
Man, ain't no bitch worth my freedom, my nigga. Straight up. If I'm gonna do some shit like, sometimes
I know what
like,
you're saying,
talk
Rush.
to me.
It's just like sometimes you just be put on the situation for no reason, bro.
That's why you gotta be careful who you surround yourself with, man. You know? Like dealing with them hood chicks, man, is definitely a no-no, man. Know what I mean?
I get what you say, fam. Yo, what is it? Diner Wit 77. Can you come up in the bed, please? I never seen you. You just need to come up in the bed a few minutes, man, so I know you're a real person, bro. But yeah, those situations, bro, man, like even that you don't be looking. Listen. I'm pretty sure you talk to any nigga you know, bro. You got an altercation with another nigga for things to a female that she put you in. Every nigga got that story, bro.
Especially if they're from the hood. You know what I'm saying? That's the common denominator right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, man, y'all. I need to write a book on this shit. This shit kind of hit right here, man.
Yo,
On look out for the precautions of dealing with a hood chick, nigga.
yo, Rush, do you know this guy? He Diner with 777. He said ask you. He wrote that in the private chat. Rush. But bro, you need to come up, man, for a few minutes, bro. So I know who you are. Just in the back, homie. Yo, Rush.
Yo, my bad, man. What you were saying?
I said, do you know this guy? The Dinner with 777.
Is it Mike 777?
He say dinner with 777.
Nah, I don't know who.
Oh yeah, he say Mike 77.
Oh, it's yeah, that's Mike 777. Yeah, he's a real person.
Yo, but I need you to come up, man. Just come up for 2 seconds.
He never cams up.
Nah, I'm not gonna run that risk, bro.
No, you know, Blanco, what you could do is you could just keep your finger on the trigger. So
all right, man. Bro, just know you do something funny, my nigga. I'm gonna beat the shit out you.
Oh, yeah, yo. All I sell is yo. What's up?
Yeah, why you couldn't come up in the bed real quick, man? So
Yo, bro, we spoke on Chaotic Truth Channel before. You don't remember me?
Probably not, but still, man.
Yo, nah, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't know that nigga.
Yeah.
Dinner 77, I don't know that. Now I'm looking in the back check right now.
Yo, Rush.
Nah. Matter of fact, I do. He has been on Chaotic Channel.
Yeah, Rush. What do you mean you don't
but
know?
It's Mike 777. This one says Dinner.
This is my channel.
Diane.
Yo, bro, this is my channel name. What are you talking about? Rush is trolling. Rush is over here lying. Yo, Rush.
All right.
Anyways, so yeah, man, I just want to say, man, good channel. I see what you're doing right now. Yo, Rush is a fucking hater, man. He knows who it is. He knows it's me.
Well, it's all good, man. Just don't do nothing funny, please, man.
Bro. Say what?
What you got on the case?
So here's what I wanted to say about the case. I've been watching it. Shout out to Fighter Complex. I see you. It looks like he snitched and got out scot-free. I don't know what the Alford plea is. It's called Alford plea, something like that. He took a plea where he admitted to knowing them. Obviously, he knows them. They're in music videos together. And don't make any sense. But anyways, the lawyers that told him to do it, they must have talked to the DA, because that's how that works. I'm sure, one of you guys has been arrested before, right?
What makes you think that I've been arrested?
Somebody up here has been arrested, right?
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm a lawyer myself, man. Never been arrested.
Well, eventually you'll catch a case, and then when you do, what happens is your lawyer is going to talk to the DA. And that's how they arrange the plea. So he must have talked to he must have told his lawyer, hey, I'm ready to talk. And then he went over, his lawyer talked to the DA and said, listen, you know what? My client's ready to talk, but under these conditions. It's the Alford, not Alfred plea.
Yeah. It's a name. Usually probably after somebody that made that rule famous. They usually name those rules about somebody.
No, I looked it up. It's Alford. It's not Alfred. But Google it real quick. It's your channel. I mean.
Yeah, I already did, man.
It's Alford, right? ALFORD.
Yeah, and it was named after somebody. That's what I'm telling you. It was named after somebody like in the 1980s, something like that. Somewhere in the 80s. Because every time like a rule like that comes like that, they put that rule under that person's name, like Roe versus Wade, shit like that.
Oh, right. So I'm thinking what that means is for him to walk out of jail like that, he's about to give up a lot of information about a lot of things.
Now, Here's another thing that a lot of people don't know. The same lawyer that got Mr. What's his name, Gunna out is the same lawyer that got Ti from that when he caught that case with all them guns, man. Ti had like grenades, silencers, and guns. Ti only did like about 9 months in jail.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, Ti snitched though.
Yeah, oh, we know.
Yeah, Ti definitely told on who was getting him all those weapons for sure. But as far as Gunna, he definitely snitched. I think personally, I think Young Thug is about to get a life sentence.
Yeah, the way my estimation from Young Thug, my nigga, he lucky. He will be lucky if he gets around 12 to 15. That would be like a good thing for him because every time motherfuckers throw Rico out there, every time the Rico word come into play,
It's life.
you're looking into 25s and 30 years in jail.
Yeah.
That's hard, bro. That's what the Rico became popular for the mob.
So you know when you start talking about Rico, it's basically the only chance you got is if you're not gonna start working basically with the government. You're probably gonna get, yeah, like you said. I mean, you might get lucky to get 12 to 15 type of years. You know, like 15 years is good. I think that's what they gave Shadi. Shadi, that was 6ix9ine
got 14.
manager.
Yeah,
He got 14. Yeah, 14's good.
He
That's
got 16.
Oh yeah, that's the one that allegedly robbed 6ix9ine
They kidnapped him.
and Nuke. One was named Nuke, right?
He got about 15 or 16, one of those.
Yeah, you figure.
I'm lying. No got about like 20 actually.
Oh, so he was probably on the top of
No, they got that match because they took it to trial. That's why.
They took it to trial. See, me, I get a RICO charge. I'm not taking it to trial. Because if you blow trial on a RICO charge, you do the max.
Yes, and they're gonna and every time it's a RICO case, you're not fighting one charge. It's like it's usually like 7, 8, 10 different charges and shit.
Yeah, there's murder. I mean, depending on what it is, drug trafficking, murder, robbery, you know, racketeering, conspiracy. Just, I know somebody that got some type of conspiracy charge, but it was just a charge. It wasn't no like RICO type case. But just hearing the word conspiracy, I mean, you know, if you know the law or whatever, you're conspiring to do something, you know what I mean, with somebody else. And just talking to a person on the phone, a lot of people don't understand your phone might be tapped right now just because of who you associate with. Huh?
You are correct. Everybody's phone is tapped.
No, I don't mean like the government type tap. I'm talking about like if you're connected with somebody like, you know, allegedly in the underworld, his phone might be tapped or hers, and you might be like a part of just, you know, just from regular saying, hey, what's up? What's going on? Oh, okay. You're going to be at such and such birthday party. Oh, okay. Next thing you know, they might see that as slang. They might see you talking about a real birthday party as like, oh, maybe something's going to go down. Let's find out who this person is, you know?
Yeah, I think everybody phone tap anyway. Like,
yeah.
If you say something, that phone gonna react. People listen to that shit.
That's what happens too when I'm like talking to somebody about something I'm gonna buy online. All of a sudden, I see a whole bunch of ads when I go on Google, right?
Bingo.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
The other day too, bro. That shit happens all the time.
Ain't that crazy? It happens all the time. I'll be talking to somebody.
It blows my mind, bro. It blows my mind, fam.
I think I talked to Fighter Complex before. He's from Chaotic, right? He was on his channel before.
Yeah, we was on the panel.
Okay. Oh, I said
I'm Fighter.
What happened?
Do you be on Chaotic a lot?
Here and there. I've been over there before. Yeah, here and there.
You used to be on Kevin and Sales, right? PAPI Blanco.
Where?
Kevin and Sales.
Nah, I'm not familiar at all.
Chaotic's old channel. It was called Kevin and Sales.
No. I've been rocking with Chaotic for what, maybe about 7, 8 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I never knew he got a channel that name. The
Yeah,
channel that I always the one that he got right now.
Chaotic. Yeah, he had a channel before that. That's originally because I, I've been fucking with him for like 2 years on this internet shit on YouTube.
Yeah, I never knew he got a channel that name. The channel that I always the one that he got right now.
Yeah, he had a channel before that. That's originally because I've been fucking with him for like 2 years on this internet shit on YouTube. Yeah, he's official, man. He took his channel. It's good to see you taking your channel to that next level too. You know what I mean? You got a lot of talent. That's why I pulled up real quick,
Yeah,
just
I'm
to
trying.
support or
I'm
whatever.
trying, man. I'm trying. Hey, this shit is
It's
some days,
tiring. It gets
yeah,
tiring, right?
some days you got energy to do it. Some days you don't got no energy to do it. Especially
It's all about your numbers. You gotta get some. I don't see any women over here in the chat. That's the problem. You need some women to keep you awake over here.
no, the thing is, it's a few channels that are live right now. And we pretty much share the same fucking subscribers. So
But I'm gonna send you some new subscribers. I'm gonna tell them to pull over here and subscribe to you though. Like my channel, like I got a lot of women that pull up on my channel.
Oh yeah,
Oh
what's
yeah.
your channel?
You need the right here dinner with 777.
Oh okay.
You know what I mean?
And I just wanted to look up your stuff, man. Yeah, you official. You got you got a channel and everything.
Yeah, I got a channel. I'm not up here trying to porn bombs. I know people pull up and they do some crazy shit on here, try to destroy your channels. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's why like people got to be careful. I be telling the same thing to fighter. Hey man, make sure you double check these motherfuckers, man. Like
Yeah, always.
I ain't people coming over here, bro. I don't give a fuck, and I don't care like what you say, like whether you agree, disagree, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing weird happening over here, man.
You could tell from like my channel, I got 2 strikes already. So like I get one more strike, it's over. You know what I mean? So I don't have the energy to go start a whole new channel either. Like once I get 3 strikes,
Like
it's over.
two copyright strike.
I got 2 of them already. Yeah, just from playing music. Sometimes I might just do a music show where I'll just play music for in the morning. I might do a late night podcast at night. So anytime you play music, you gotta be careful.
No, if it is music, it's not a copyright strike, my nigga. It's copyright claim.
Nah, bro, not when you play some. It depends what type of music it is. Like, because I was playing from the actual video. Like, I'm not, you know what I mean?
Anything to do with music is a copyright claim, bro. I promise
Nah, bro. Certain songs are copyright claims. Other ones are strikes. I played a Chris Brown song. That shit was a strike. Trust me. Don't play any. Go ahead, try to play a Chris Brown song right now and see what happens. That shit will knock you right off the stream.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it again because I play. Trust me, I play a lot of. Matter of fact, goddamn it, y'all want to hear the song, man? Listen, hold on one second.
Go ahead.
Whoever wanna hear the song, you want to hear your favorite song, man? It's gonna cost you $5. Request your favorite song for $5. Goddamn, I forgot about my little high school and shit like that. God damn it, I'm tripping.
You know what you should do is make people pay to hit the link too when they cam up. Cause my son's calling me. What do you want, son? What's up, boy? You want me to fix it? Yeah. Give me $5. Say hi, PAPI Blanco.
Hi, PAPI Blanco.
What up, little man?
Say what's up.
How you doing? How you doing, son?
Say I'm good.
I'm good.
All right, man.
All right, guys, I'm about to put him to bed, man. I just wanted to say, salute to you guys and have a good night, man.
Hi.
All right, you take care, little man. All right.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, boy.
All right, say God bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you too, Bobby. Yeah, man. Shit.
Yeah, I might fuck around. I might fuck around, go live tonight for a couple hours, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see how these cases play out, man. Cause like sometimes these dudes be beating these cases. You know what I mean? So
nigga, if Young Thug beat this goddamn case, that nigga would become the GOAT. That nigga gonna start doing tours, nigga. They're gonna have to put that nigga in the motherfucking in the stadium, bro, when the motherfucking Cowboys play at, nigga, do a concert, bro. That should go be sold out if that man be this case. I don't see
like I said, it's still, this is a state case, you know what I'm saying? So this is why I feel like he still got a chance. But like you said, if I was him, if I beat this shit, nigga, I'm out. Like I'm out.
For real, matter of fact,
About
let public service announcement, man. Young, BTV, man, how you doing, family?
Yo, I'm doing well. How you doing, bro?
Good, good, man. I don't know if you ever met my man Fighter, man, but y'all
Nice to
can
meet you, bro.
connect.
what's good? What's good? What up?
Y'all can connect with each other. BTV got a channel too. He into tech. He's a good guy. That's my boy. That's my young bro. But listen, look, public service announcement, man. Young Thug, man. If you ever get to see this live stream or your family member, I hope they tell you this. If you even get out, if you even smell the outside of the jail cell, I suggest you to, as soon as you get out, get on that plane, get the fuck out. Go hang out with Russell Simmons or somebody like that. Go to one of those islands that cannot extradite you, because the Fed will pick this case up. You better believe it. That's why he got to get the hell out. I know I will. I wouldn't play with it, bro. I wouldn't. I'm out, son. I'm out. I know if I beat the state, the Fed's coming after me, bro. I know that. Yo, what you got? What's your take, BTB?
Yeah, man, I agree with you, man. I mean, Russell Simmons got up out of here so quick, man. He's like, they try to Bill Cosby him or something like that with all these had all these allegations or whatever. Of essay, I guess you can't say the exact words or whatever. But I was just thinking about this whole Young Thug and Gunna case. I'm just like, I kind of knew it was going to happen. They kind of said that people were going to be snitching and stuff like that, or that it had already happened. And the thing that I find funny is that 6ix9ine and how he was snitching, and he's proud that he did it. He actually reposted the video of Gunna saying some yes ma'am to everything. And he's just making fun of him. He's like, y'all pick and choose who y'all consider is snitching or not based off of if you like them or not.
That's true.
Yeah, because I was like,
true.
The thing with 6ix9ine, man, 6ix9ine, he's funny now, but sooner or later somebody gonna get that boy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. I don't wish that on me. I don't know, buddy, but listen, he put too many people. He put too many niggas in jail, bro. Somebody gonna catch that ticket. That's all I know. I'm telling you, bro. He put what, like 10, 12, 14 people in jail. Guess
he
what?
gave
Those 12, let's say 10. Those 10 people got cousins. They got brothers. They got uncles. They got fathers. Somebody will do something to that man sooner or later, man. Look what happened to Apple. Apple thought he was the shit. Apple was running around. Oh, no one gonna do nothing to me. Hey, every dog get his day, bro. Nigga, the streets are undefeated for a reason, bro. Let me tell you what's gonna happen with 6ix9ine, bro. Money gonna run out. If 6ix9ine smart, he will get the fuck up out of here too. Because 6ix9ine actually is very popular in Europe. You go to England, Germany, this country. He can make a hell of it. He can become like Justin Bieber over there, bro. He can become that over there.
Okay.
So this is what's gonna happen. Money gonna run out. He ain't gonna be able to afford 6, 7, 8 Marine, Navy SEAL bodyguards. Guess what? You're gonna be here by yourself in the streets. And that's when niggas gonna cash in like, oh, Mr. Rainbow. Do you know I'm cousins with mother? You know I'm cousin with Harv? Or you know I'm cousin with Chatty? Take this, nigga. I'm telling you, bro. The streets, man. The streets never forget, man. The streets never forget, man. Never. It can be 1, 2, 3. Hell, it can be 10 years, bro. They always gonna collect, bro. The streets always gonna collect.
Mm-hmm. You know what's crazy is that he's over here mocking them and stuff like that, going into New York. Saying, oh, yeah, y'all ain't doing nothing. I was in New York. I'm in New York now. And then he'd be like, oh, yeah, and by the way, I'm already gone. Like, I don't know if you saw that video. But, like, yeah, I agree with you, man. I mean, he's a little bit too free with a lot of things he's doing. But he mocks a lot of people who get killed, in the streets and stuff like that. Like, who the guy who recently got killed? PNB Rock.
King Bomb. He was like a piece in his death and stuff like that.
And then PNB Rock recently.
Oh,
he was mocking it. Yeah, he was talking about, well, not mocking him, but he's saying like, y'all kept telling me
to that, you know, like this is how you're supposed to move or whatever, right? Oh, you know, I'm pretty much they were talking bad about him because he had security, but then PNB Rock didn't have security, so now he's like, oh well, see, this was a smart thing to do for me to have security while you have him who got killed without having any security.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, bro, that's another different conversation right there. But those rapper niggas, man, they be trying to play tough, bro, because they think like if they get security, they think that's soft. You know what I mean? That's the way they look at it. Because they rapping about hardcore stuff. That's what they're doing. They're rapping about hardcore stuff. They're rapping about dropping bodies, moving work. So it wouldn't match. Their life wouldn't match up to whatever they're rapping about if they go get a security guard, right? They go get security and shit like that. So what they do is they have to put on an app like, yeah, I'm with my hood niggas, go in the hood, this and that, niggas in the hood ready to knock your head off, bro. You got a bracelet that costs 200,000, nigga. You got a car that costs $500,000. You got probably 300,000 worth of fucking change and shit like that. You know what I mean? You got a watch that costs 80,000. You don't think somebody want to touch you, bro? Shit. Everybody would touch you, man. That's what, like, when you get rich, man, the last place you want to be is in the hood. I never understood that mentality anyway. Like, if I'm filthy rich, the last place I want to be is around a bunch of people that don't got nothing. That would be the last place that I want to be. The most I do is probably I sing a helicopter with a bunch of turkeys and shit like that. I don't know.
But Poppy, you got to remember though, like a lot of these. The thing is because if they go to the hood, I definitely understand what you're coming from. Like, why would you put yourself in a position where you could become a lick, right? But you got to remember, a lot of these dudes, if they go to someone who has their type of mind, if they go to where they have their type of money, other people, they're not impressive. Like, oh, look, we all got money over here. So it's like if you go to the hood, it's like you have like that sense of you're better than someone. So I think it's like, oh, look at me, I'm the superstar when I'm over here. You know what I'm saying? I get all this love, this attention, and it's not always just that too. It's also PNB Rock. Look where he came from, right?
Philly.
He came from Philly, from the hood, right? We have a certain lifestyle, so he kind of never got out of that. He almost had like that street mentality, and look what it got him. You know, yo, the only dude that I'm surprised that he kind of outsmarted a lot of people, Chief Keef.
Because what Chief Keef do was genius. Chief Keef, as soon as he got a dollar, he moved to California. He went to like Calabasas and shit like that. That's where the nigga lived. He got his homie. He got like 5, 7 on his homie. Yo, we out.
Yo, he's a genius, bro. Like, I feel like I may want to say a genius. I think he just used common sense.
Yeah, no, it's common because the reason I know Chief Keef baby mama. That's how I even know this okay, one of his baby mama. I nigga got like 7 baby mamas and shit like that. The nigga, like, as soon as he got a dollar, nigga, he was like, get the fuck out of here. He grabbed like 7 on his homie. Don't get me wrong, the nigga still running around with a bunch of steps, but he just got the fuck up out of Chicago.
Yeah, man. I think he did it smart, you know. And I remember
he's fucking smart because you always like that nigga Boosie said it, bro. Yo, Boosie said it the best. All the rappers get killed in their own city.
Yeah,
and look at that record.
It's a bunch, bro. It's a bunch of rappers that got killed in their own city.
Yeah, let's start New York. Stop Bandles.
Chinks drugs.
Chinks drugs in Queens. Big L. Was it Harlem or
Yeah, I think that was in Harlem when he got killed.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? What else? Look, Nipsey, L.A. What's the other nigga from Baton Rouge, man? The youngin nigga. I forgot his name. He got
Jada Youngin.
Yeah, he got killed in his mama house, bro. Outside of his mama house. I'm telling you, bro. It's just like, bro, they don't know how to move. So, and I know it's easier said than done. But man, listen, man. I'd rather buy me one less change every month, and I would have 2 Navy SEAL niggas with me. I got one of my niggas that are about. I would, you see, like if I start getting money, I would even put my homies in that situation, bro. Because if they drop a body, technically I gotta pay for the fucking defense, for the defense and shit like that. That's at least $1 million coming out of nigga pocket. Because those lawyers for murder lawyer cost you $1 million, bro. I don't give a fuck what you say. The good ones. Now you can get a little cheaty one for 200,000. Nigga, like all I know is I guess so. You know who do it. You know what people need to learn, bro? They need to move. They need to learn from 50 Cent. 50 Cent taught the most shit ever, but you cannot get nowhere near close to him, bro. You know why? Because what 100 said this, I remember I heard the story like last year or something like that. What 100 said like, yo, we have 50, like we spotted 50 at the hotel at the W in LA. We're gonna, nigga, I got like 10 niggas with me. We're gonna run up on 50. Man, 50 out like 20 Navy SEALs came out of nowhere. We couldn't do nothing to that nigga. So we had to stand down. And you gotta understand why 100 is a blood nigga. You see what I'm saying? So 50, you never gonna, whatever you see 50, I seen 50 before. That nigga always got a crew with him, bro. You cannot get close to that man, bro.
You remember
sniper to hit 50.
Yo, you remember when Whack 100 and Stitches got into that fight?
Yeah, he knocked him out outside of the story. That's a close story.
Real quick. So you already know Whack 100 can actually fight, but yeah, he couldn't do nothing to no 20 Navy SEAls.
Mm-hmm. He knocked that nigga down.
But I remember seeing this video, 50 getting into a fight with Ja Rule crew, right? It was like back in the early 2000s.
In the beginning, that's when he got stabbed. He got stabbed a couple times, like that.
Yeah, man. Because like back then, I guess he wasn't moving like that, but now, I guess he got, of course, he had more money. But
yeah, back then it was like it was at the studio, chocolate factory, some shit like that. They crossed paths and he went hell in that thing. That's when this whole story came out that they say that 50 quote unquote filed a report. And that nigga was like, man, that was a lie. That nigga was just making shit up. Why you file a report? Like nigga filed a fucking report. 50 is a real street grimy nigga. That's what people don't know. 50 is really, really about that life, bro. He just a businessman. 50 is a gun on a gun in corporate America. That's who he is. But trust me, that nigga will get out that suit, nigga, whoop your ass and shoot your ass. But he's so much bigger than that. It's not even funny. Like that nigga, that's what I say. A lot of rappers should fucking call that nigga so he can teach like a course or something how to move. Because that nigga, listen, who taught the most shit in the rap game besides 50?
Probably the only person I can think of is 6ix9ine who taught the most shit.
And where do you think 6ix9ine got that from? 6ix9ine paid homage to 50.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Well, like before the snitching situation, 50 used to grab 6ix9ine like this, like, hey, you my little son. You know what I mean? They even did a video together in the past. Before the snitching part.
Yep.
So 50, bro, but guess what? He taught the most shit. Nobody haven't even been close to touch that man. Like if 50 probably pull up at Roscoe Chicken and Waffle. But guess what? That nigga gonna have a whole army with him. Good luck. Good luck. But shit, man. I'm about to close this down, man. I'm hungry as hell, son. I haven't eaten nothing all day besides the soup. BTB, man, thank you for pulling up, bro.
No problem.
I'm a accomplice. I'm gonna go. Drop your channels, man. Everything I need to drop your channels, bro.
Yeah, I dropped it a couple of times. I'm gonna put it in the back. So
yeah,
my homie go follow me. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the back. I'm gonna go live like in an hour and a half or so. I just gotta go get some food or something and shower real quick.
Yeah, I'm starving myself, bro.
Yeah. I'm I usually have these like fun lives and like well, not for like crazy lives. Everyone talking shit. I'm gonna type like a fun one tonight. It's gonna be a topic about baby mothers. Like if you're dealing with a baby mother and and Christmas gifts. Yeah, we're gonna talk about it, man. We're gonna have fun. I'm gonna try to invite some ladies to see what they think about it. So, bro, if you're not busy, go check it out, man. We're just gonna have fun today, so probably a little trolling and just have fun.
Yo, before the
just
building,
subscribe, bro.
make sure you tap in with Fighter, man. Like people be having fun over there.
Yeah, just subscribe, man.
Okay, yeah. You got a channel. Your channel up there. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
he
sir.
does. Yeah, that's my boy. His shit clean though. His shit mad clean.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, let me see. Let me go ahead and drop all this Fighter right here. Okay. Everybody, please subscribe to my man before the billion, man. We need to get on to 3,000. How many you got right now? 2,500, something like that?
Yeah. So 2,500.
Do you feel like you're growing faster? Because I feel like I'm stacking at this point, nigga. Goddamn.
Man, Poppy, I was telling you, man. Yeah, I've been stagnant for a while too, but it's just because like one is the end of the year and everybody's kind of like inside or whatever. So I think a lot of people like to stream or put out a lot of content in December. But I think that shorts is the way to if you want to just grow.
Right. Pre-records, right?
Yeah, pre-records help you grow too. Not as much as shorts, but they better than like how live streams do.
Yeah, cause it's just with the pre-records, or like shorts. The thing about shorts is if you just I don't know what I remember. I did a short, and it was like I had a green screen of a lady that she was sleeping like in a gas station, and she had like a big butt, and I'm like, this woman got a big ass booty and she's outside. Nobody want to take care of her. And I was just like kind of having fun with the clip, right? You know, with the little short. And for some reason, that video went viral. It had like 15K viewers, right? And a bunch of comments. I probably had a few subscribers from that. And it's funny how the algorithm just says, okay, this is the video we're gonna choose to push out. Like this is the one we want to choose to make people comment on. I don't know, man. It's just I think you just gotta keep putting out content and something is gonna stick. One of them is gonna just make you blow. I don't know. It's crazy how that works, but
it's so true, man. I mean, because it's all algorithm based. Nobody can. It's not like people choose what shorts to go to. They're just going through it.
Right.
I know, right? Like I had some shorts that did great, man. Like fucking did like 5,000 views. Another one did like fucking. Well, let me tell you what I did, bro. 1 second, fellas. And now the last three I dropped, nigga, and she isn't going nowhere, man. Like 700. I don't want no motherfucking 700. I want the 1,000, bro.
But that's still good though, and they'll grow. They'll grow. Like all it takes is like for something to come up.
Like for example, I dropped that shit with fucking Young Thug. Was hot. That shit only did 355. I dropped the one with Megan with Digi Academy stuck in shit, nigga. That shit did 600. Let me see. I did the one with Brittany Griner getting released. That shit did 800. But this one, the good ones right here. Look, I did the snitching ass Ti, my nigga. That one did 5,000, 5,300. The one with Kanye and fucking getting divorced, that one did 3,000. The one with Glorilla, that shit did 6,000. Like I want those numbers, man. What the fuck?
Hey, Poppy, it'll come, man. You know, but that's just how it goes. You just got to put out stuff. And then think about it, because the longer you keep it up, the more views it's gonna get. And then, like, you ever seen like when you actually go on some of these shorts, you click on the comments and you see how old the comments are. So I mean, like, it's gonna come through the algorithm eventually again, right? It went through there now, and then it's gonna come up there again, or more people are gonna start watching it.
Oh, that's how that shit work.
Yeah, my issue is I just don't. I have to do more pre-records and shorts. So I have to just do more of those, you know, to expand. You know, that's how you get different people to come into your channel, you know, a different crowd. Because if not, you're gonna stay so stagnant, just going live. You going live, you might get lucky and get a subscriber or two, but you know, to amplify your audience, really just the pre-records and shorts.
I got 4 when I was live. 4 subscribers, which you like. That's my goal for the day. My goal for the day is usually to get between 5 and 10 subscribers. Once I get to 5, I feel good about myself. Shit, I get tired, nigga. I take the next day off.
But then you know the videos, the way they work are funny, right? Like, or the subscribers, right? It's like you could gain in one day, you could gain 10. Then the next day you do a live or you do a review on something, and you lose 6 people because maybe they didn't like what you said.
Exactly.
So it's
People,
funny like that, you know. It's funny like
yeah.
that. So
People is very, very, very touchy on this fucking shit.
yeah.
It happened to me too. Look, I remember it happened during the summer actually. I did a live stream. I did a live stream about a bunch of fat bitches.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get people offended with
You
that.
remember that one?
I
About the
remember.
girls in the pool, the fat patty swings and shit like that in Houston.
Yeah, I remember that.
Nigga, yo, fighter, nigga. It was a pool party for big girls, man. These motherfuckers look like that motherfucker, yo. I'm talking about it was like 200 big bitches, my nigga. It was like 3 guys, bro, in the whole pool party, son. They do that shit every day. It's like an event every year. So the whole point of me doing the live stream is to kind of like point out, because they be like, oh, people like big girls. I'm like, no, niggas don't like big girls. They just fuck them because they just there. But naturally, niggas don't like that shit, man. Nigga, it was literally like 3 guys, nigga. It was 200 fucking land whales, man. So, tell me why I lost like 30 fucking subscribers.
Yeah.
They probably went at the pool party too. They were like, dang, he talking about us.
So like 30 girls was like, oh, I don't like this nigga. Unsubscribe. Hey, you know what's crazy? Most of the people that unsubscribed, they probably wasn't even big. They probably was just mad because I was roasting. I was like, yo, what the fuck? So I'm like, nigga, like, what's the big deal? Like, look, I'm a sling guy. My friend made fun of me for being sling. I mean, I'm tall, but I'm sling. Nigga, I just take it, man. It's just joke, yo. People is too goddamn touching nowadays.
Listen, we can't do that. It's not fair. The moment women could say, "Oh, you short," and we gotta accept it. There's nothing we could do about it. But don't call somebody chunky, because they coming for you, bro. You know how that go. They coming for you.
And look, and that was like a little stud. I did like a little experiment though. The very next week I went live, right? So I'm like, okay, I lost 30 subscribers. I was talking about fat bitches and shit like that, right? The next week I was like, yo, I'ma go ahead and I'ma drag the shit out of niggas on this live stream. I talk shit about the passport bro on that stream. It was a bunch of nerdy guys. Do you remember that stream? It was about the guy that he called in the little dating coaches. This nigga was getting abused by some girl in the Dominican Republic.
I can't think of the name, but
I roasted that guy. And then I roasted some other guy that called the Kendra G show. Mm-hmm. Guess what? I ain't lost a single subscriber, nigga. And I went extra hard on the niggas just to prove a point, bro. Just to prove a point. Niggas was just laughing and shit like that. That's it, nigga. Nothing else happened. Because niggas don't care, man. Even if a nigga ugly, he already know he ugly. He be like, shit, nigga, you ain't telling me something I already didn't know already anyway. I'm ugly, so what the fuck? A boy roasting a big girl, nigga, I guess it's a no though.
Mm-hmm.
I guess
yeah, man.
No.
I mean, have you ever looked at your analytics to see which one you have more of? Do you have more women or men?
Let me see. I look at it. It was 63% men, and about 37% women.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't even like
right.
I checked my analytics. I wasn't even surprised like who watches it the most is obviously like people in New York.
Mm-hmm.
New York, Jersey area, like that. That's pretty much everyone who watches my channel. America, surprisingly, look, Canada watches a lot of my stuff.
Me too. Canada, motherfucking a couple people in Germany, a couple people in goddamn England. What else? But yo, I don't got nothing in the Spanish in the Latino fucking neighborhood, bro.
Yeah, I got people from India. I was like,
yeah?
What? Yeah, I thought it was crazy.
Yo, you know what it is too? I think because they have such a huge population.
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
they're like the
They
second
have
number
a
one.
huge population. They're like top 5 in the world, right?
Oh, they're number 2 up
Yeah.
behind China.
Number 2.
Yeah, they got a lot of people. They niggas close to
Yes.
1 billion. It's a lot of people in India, bro. China's number 1. Motherfucking India number 2. America number 3. Like
I'm not
they
gonna lie.
dominate.
A lot of them dudes though. Like if you go like to like other websites and stuff, they're always doing that little the bombing. They always do the bomb. I'm like, yo, it's always them. It's always them doing the bombing. Like all these other websites like Omagly, whatever in Tiny Chat. Those are two websites that people still use as like a live streaming where you could cam up and you could chat with people, like random people.
Mhm.
There's like little chat rooms, online chat rooms, and you meet random people there. And it's always dudes in India. They came up and they bomb you, man. I'm like, what the fuck is good with these? It's like it's like in a culture or something. But yeah.
When you say like bomb, you mean like show something that they ain't supposed to be on screen?
Yeah, like flashing themselves. Yeah,
Okay, yeah. I got
yeah. It's always Indian dudes. I'm like, yo, what is good with them? Like, they get like some satisfaction. Like, yes, we got these Americans. Like, oh no, man, it's sick.
Yeah, bro. But all right then, y'all. I know Poppy said he was gonna go ahead and shut it down. See y'all
Yeah,
on the next one. All right.
yeah. I no doubt. Yeah, I'm about to be out of here too. So yeah, if you're not busy or whatever, man, slide over there like an hour and a half. I'm gonna be
Yo, yeah,
live over there,
yeah.
my team.
But, I would just put him. I would just put him put a little steak in the oven real quick, man. Hungry as shit.
Yeah.
Hungry
All
as
right then,
fuck,
bro.
man. But
Let,
anyways, man, about to close this down. Memberships are available. Please buy your boy some memberships, less than $5. Become a member of the PAPI Mafia. We're gonna get it better. We're gonna get it popping over here, man. I'm about to have some strippers. I'm about to have all kind of shit again, man. You know, say I'm gonna have some how you call that, cyber strippers, man. Them bitches gonna be running off the pole like this. Big booty, BBLs all day, fake titties, fake ass, big old latches, 25 inches nail. Yeah, it's like that girl Sugar Bum. I know she's a goddamn stripper, but she don't want to say she's not a stripper. Sugar Bone, when you gonna come on? I want to interview you, Sugar Bone. When you ready?
you know
Are
what,
y'all
Poppy?
all titters? How you say that word, man? I don't even know how to say it.
Your tethers?
Tethers. Is that supposed to be an insult?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is. Like, I think it has something to do with like the
I see.
FBA, ADOS, and tethers or something like that.
I see it
Oh
a lot
yeah,
in these cases.
oh yeah. A tether is usually American, a black American is gonna use that term against anyone who's black, but outside of America, America, like you're black, but you're from the Caribbean or Hispanic or African, so they'll call you a tether.
Yeah, but that's an internet shame, my nigga, because I never heard this in real life. And I got a whole lot of African American homies. Like most of my niggas actually are black from here. They never ever even mentioned it.
No, it's usually the ones that have disdain for.
No, but my
Yeah.
point is, fighter. But my point is, I never heard that word in my life. And I know,
Yeah, oh yeah,
listen,
yeah,
I got
yeah, yeah.
homies. I'm talking about. I got homies in Miami. I got homies in Jersey. I got homies in New York. I got homies in Cali. I got homies in Phoenix, bro. And none of them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna ask one of my homies to see if they even know what the fuck that word means.
Nah, that's yeah, like you said, that's online terminology.
Yeah.
What they use like in old school debate forums. Because I think in real life, sometimes people just like to throw and have fun on here because in real life you have your co-workers or clients or your neighbors. They have different creeds and races, and I don't think people really care. I think they just like to have that fun conversation and joke on each other
Yo, Sugar
online.
Bone,
I think that's what it is.
Sugar Bone, are you willing? You gonna let me? Are you gonna come up for me so I can interview you?
Bruh, she's too ugly. She's not gonna do that, man. She's bald headed. Like, why would hold on? Why would a woman that's bald headed come up on live? Why?
You see, I disagree with you, fighter. You about nigga, but I don't
Yo,
think that is ugly.
she's not EVE. She's not Halle Berry. She's not Jada Pinkett. She's not coming. She's not gonna come up, man. She's not
Yo,
keeping up.
Sugar Bong, are you beautiful? Are you
Yeah,
ugly?
no, she's not, nigga.
Are you a medium? Sugar Bong, can you describe yourself real quick, please? Something, yo, Sugar Bone, she be talking so much shit. I believe she got a fat ass.
Nah.
I think she have to. Nigga, girls that talk so much shit, they got fat ass. Nigga, how many girls do you know that talk shit, they flat?
A lot. You know what the one with the inverted isosceles triangle?
With a triangle booty.
Yeah, that's the body they got. The inverted isosceles triangle. You know what I'm talking about? They top heavy.
Yeah, I
You
got
know?
you.
They got a
Talk about doing my squats before I go to sleep.
Yo.
Looking ass. Sugar Bone, do you have a fat ass? Something tell me Sugar Bone got a big old booty. That shit probably stink too. that shit probably nasty in the motherfucker. Sugar Bone, I want to interview you, baby. I don't think she's here. I think everybody left anyway. But anyway, fellas, final thoughts, people.
Good fighter.
No, I'll say real quick. Yeah, I mean, honestly, you never know how court goes. Sometimes they put up a good argument. Sometimes they have to drop the case because they found that the officers did something wrong, or they did something illegally to get evidence or to pin something on someone. So honestly, we don't know what's gonna happen. We just gotta wait it out. But like, there's a lot of these. We have two big cases going on right now, so we just gotta
Yeah.
wait to see how it plays out. We gotta wait to see
I
because
don't know
you
if
never
you ran.
know.
I don't know if you ran the group. I typed it like, "Yo, we got P Diddy just had a baby, and fucking Young Miami's having a mental breakdown, fighting with academics and fighting with all P Diddy side pieces, saying that she's not a side piece, even though that she's in the fucking roster, and that make her a side piece herself. Then we got fucking Tory Lane and motherfucking Megan Thee Stallion going on that triangle love with Kelsey Nicole. We got Young Thug, nigga. It's so much shit going up in the rap game, nigga. Niggas is taking nails, bro. The rap game is in shambles right now. And look, and Sugar Bone says, I don't have no ass and I'm a virgin. Yeah, and your ears. Your ears are a virgin, nigga. Sugar Bone, that's my shit you be talking, girl. I know niggas be dicking you down left and right, man. Girls like you get dicked down on the weekends, boy. You from the DMV area too? I know you nasty. I know you like raw dick and motherfucking Don Julio. That's what you like. Raw meat and Don Julio. That's what every women like. Listen, BTB. If a girl doesn't like either raw dick or Don Julio, don't fuck with her. She's not human. They have to like one or the other.
One or the other.
Like one of the. Well, one of the two. That's just how it is. You ask, hey, you like raw dick? Yes, of course. You like Don Julio? No, I like Henny. Okay, I love you. I love you.
Have you ever seen both of them? Like they like both?
All the time. That's your nigga. Don Julio's for female, bro. Females love Don Julio. Females love Don Julio, man. They're gonna sit over here you. Talk about I only drink wine. Shut up, man. You drink Don Julio. Stop.
Now, Papa, let me ask you this, man. Do you be bringing like bottles into the club, or do you just buy one from the club?
No, we buy them at the club.
Okay, because like I heard that they be like putting other drinks inside of them. But I think it might just be like if it's already open.
You can do some shit like that in Texas. I remember when I party in Texas in Houston, it's certain clubs that you can bring your alcohol with you, a bottle.
Oh yeah. They doing that a lot now with like with lounges, like hookah lounges.
Oh yeah.
So
okay.
And you probably gotta pay like I think like $10 or something to bring a bottle in.
I remember. I'm sorry, Fighter. Go ahead.
Oh no, I was just gonna say that. Yeah, I feel like they're doing that a lot now. You could go to these little hookah lounges. You could go in there. You could bring a bottle. You only gotta pay like $10 per bottle or something that you bring in, and then you know you're gonna be in there. You buy the hookah, but and they might sell beers in there, but you could bring your own booze. I mean, you could bring your own liquor.
Okay.
Let
Yeah,
me
because
see.
like whenever I go to these hookah lounges, they always be trying to force these hookahs. It'd be like
Yo, Papi, for
$50.
the billion, you got somebody hitting on you, Sugar Bone wants you. She said, "Hey, Papi, who's this light skinned man? His name is before the billion. He's a high value man." That's what you need to
I
know.
think he only likes natural hair. So Sugar Bum, you lost out.
That she probably like to hear those words. I know her pussy got wet already. Oh, high value. Ooh. Ooh, high value. Ooh. I'm about to put this pussy on. But yeah, no, like that's only certain clubs, man. But certain clubs you can bring. I know in Houston costs way more than that. Like you can bring your bottle in and it costs you like $30-$40, something like that.
Wait, yo. So before billions, I'm looking at your community, right? Tab, I guess. Will Smith reveals he was spat on by a co-star.
Yes.
What? That's wicked, man.
Yeah, he got spit on, and he told. Go ahead, Papi. What'd you say?
No, go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, so Will Smith, he was telling this story on Red Table Talk with his kids, all three of his kids, and he was like, "Oh, it was spiritually, emotionally, and physically taxing," and he said that he was almost about to cry or whatever, and then all his kids started laughing at him when he told that. I was like, "Dang!" Like all his kids go laughing, getting spit on,
Bro.
and.
Wait. He got spit on for the movie or for like
it was an ad lib for the movie. Like the guy, it wasn't even in the script that he was gonna get spit on. But you remember the movie Emancipation, where he's like pretending to be a slave, or not pretending, he's acting to be a slave.
Yeah. I didn't see it yet, but yeah, I know the movie.
Yeah, man. So he said that this happened actually before the slap. So it happened before he slapped Chris Rock, and I think he's trying to use it as a way of, he wasn't in the right mindset or whatever. But yeah, he said that, man.
Yeah, why didn't they add like CGI or something to it? Like just like like do you CGI for everything else?
Yeah, man, I don't know.
You got a new fan, Sugar Bone wants to be your friend.
Oh look,
she said he's so cute.
He's so
cute, y'all, and y'all mind.
Look, Sugar Bum says fighter hating because he think he cute, but he not. Listen, wait. Oh, hold on. So yeah, so she's choosing before billions. We the same complexion. Why you hate? Yo, she's a hater, man. She's hating on me. Man. She's hating though.
Hey guys, I gotta go ahead and drop, but I appreciate you for having me up here, man.
Yeah, man. Anytime, Brody, man. Anything else, right, Mr. Fighter?
Nah, man, nah. It was fun. I'm gonna go live like in hour. I'm just gonna, shower real quick and something to eat, and we're gonna have fun, man. We're gonna have a topic. Bobby, if you free, man, join in. I think it's gonna be like a fun topic. We always over there serious talking shit.
I just need to get my little food together.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my food. So yeah, I'm going live like in an hour, and I think it's gonna be a fun discussion. So yeah.
Yeah, Sugar Bun. Next time, like I told you, I want to interview. I need you to come up, man. Either you're gonna come up or you're gonna send me some cash apps or something, man. You be here. I thought you liked me a little bit. You need to request a son or something, Sugar Bun. And I know when you as much shit you be talking, you gotta come forward with a pimp now. Yeah, man. Anything else, Mr. Fighter?
Nah, that's it, bro. We good, man. I'm about to just go handle some shit, and I'm gonna go live like an hour.
All right, family. I'm gonna see you later then.
All right, peace.
All right. You about to be dumb over here. Thanks everybody for the super chats. The how many people was like 4 people sent super chat. I appreciate everybody that support your boy. Thanks for the 2 people that sent the cash app. I was looking for 5, but I settled with 2. With 2 cash app supporters. This got to grow, man. I'll probably go live tomorrow. So stay tuned, man, and please make sure everybody, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. hit the like button. Make sure you comment in the comment section too. That's important. It's free. It doesn't cost you nothing. But I tell you what costs membership. Please sign up to one of these membership, man. I will appreciate it. I probably will start doing a special video for that shit. I probably start live streaming for the goddamn club, so you can see some badass bitches. Alright, man. Go subscribe to my boys, man. Before the Billion and Fighter, that's my people. So go support them and stay tuned. I'll probably go live tomorrow. So I know I am gonna go live tomorrow actually. So I'll see you later, family.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to